Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today is our live session on 12/4/2018, and let's get right into the action. What a nice sell today, guys. But hey, the deal was close on Monday. I mean, they shook hands. They even went to the bathroom together, and they came back out, and they shook hands again, and the deal is close, guys. It's really, really close this time. So we're trying to get a handle on the markets right here. Let's look at that, just a little humor. So we're into the 200 MA on the SPY. So we have good support down here, as well as let's get the 60-minute chart going here. Nothing yet on here. Let's get a handle on these markets, guys. We had the gap. We filled the gap. We're hitting the 200. We came into a little bit consolidation here. See how it bounced. So you have some support down in here as well around the 73.67, but 274 right now, even number, and the 200 MA, pretty good bounce area. We're going to see if it bounces. The other thing is, guys, lunchtime hour. We're into that special time of day. We are in a confirming downtrend today at 441 down, and let's see if we keep bleeding, guys. The puts are coming alive. We put the puts on one day too early, guys. Unbelievable. We should have added more yesterday, just didn't want to. But we did add a lot of short share trades yesterday. We did cover Amazon today. We shorted Amazon, covered that one today for some nice gains, and of course we covered it. It's going lower. We did BA. We shorted BA up in this range. Covered that one today for some nice gains. And we're slowly but surely enjoying the reaps of our shorts. Yeah, no, AZO, that's fine. You know, just remember, B-Rabbit, just as long as you got that no more than 10% position, you're fine in that one. It's AutoZone. Been through that crap before. Unbelievable, though, huh? But you know what? I added one more time in here. I'm almost at a 10% position. This one I've learned to go slow and steady. Now it's just a matter of holding. If you bought puts today on this one, you make sure you go out a couple months. But yeah, this one's just being a bitch. That's it. But you know, if you go through the monthly chart, we got to keep an eye on these markets, guys. If you guys are still in the Amazon and BA shorts from the other day, please take something off the table. But look at AutoZone. Look at this, guys. So you had these connections, and look where it went. I mean, it was a 50-50 shot, pump or dump. It pumped it. I had room left, and I told you guys, gotta save some for earnings. It popped, and what can you do? It's only up 6%. But this is one, guys. If you have a 10% position, your stop out's about 90 bucks. So if your average price is even at 800, you're still in this trade, even at 775. But ultimately, the 20 MA is my target, 675. So even if you're in this thing at 800, 750, you still have a nice trade in here at 675. All right, so yeah, how about that, Leo, on the puts on the IWM? Actually in the money on those now. Damn, we should have went closer in the money on these puts, but you know what? Well, you never know. If we get 3-4 tank days in a row, these things can all pay us, guys. Yeah, Mark, nice dump today. On everything, not on everything. You know, Workday won't come in, that little bitch. We're actually, no, Workday is coming in now. But this is another one, guys. Price target about 123. So if you short this thing right now, you got 123. So I'm not, a lot of these positions I'm not that worried about. Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, guys, the IWM puts, the 150s, they're in the money. So if you couldn't take that pain and you were crying, then start chiseling them out. They're at $1.74 right now, so keep that on the watch. Damn, we're getting a nice flush, guys. Since Thanksgiving, Amazon looks to go lower. Yeah, Mark. Hopefully you got those trades, the Amazon, the BA. Look, what is the story of my life, guys? I cover Amazon, I cover BA. Just say, you know what? Good trades. And, of course, they go lower. Every flipping time. I added to now at 10%. Yeah, there you go, B-Rabbit. See that, though? Nice pop. Boom. So hopefully we get a pullback. When the time comes, if we still pull back, or AutoZone's going to come down like a rock. With some good trades the last few days. Yeah, we had Amazon and BA. B-Rabbit. Look at that. We had Amazon at 1777. It's at 1714 now. We pulled it off, I don't even know where to land. 1720. I don't even know. I'm trying to get a handle on this shit. It happens. You cover and it goes like, yeah, every time. But that's okay. I'm happy. So, guys, remember the puts that we're in. You know, if you can't take pain, if you got a little bit of money back, take it. The IWM, we're actually in the money. But you know what? All spec plays, guys. Yeah, the Amazon was all right. You know what? But look at Amazon, guys. What was that? What have I been telling you, members? Short-term retrace. We go right. We shorted this one right here last time, right at the 1775, or no, actually we were at like 1742. Same place. Right back into it. Gets above the MAs. Everyone's like, oh, it's breaking out. This is the buy. Oh man, time to buy. And then look, they flush and this could be the next wave down, guys. Again, on the SPY, what was I talking? If you guys watched my video yesterday, what was I talking about when we were right here? What was I talking about? Head and shoulder, right? Possibly breakout. That's what CNBC is going to talk about. And what happened? Boom. But we're good into this good level here. Let's see what happens on the way down. Short-term retrace. Look at that. Couldn't make it above. Again, we could reverse and go right back up. And all they got to do is mention China trade. Trump's close. They're in the bathroom again, holding hands. I think they're writing an essay now. It's the same, guys, it's the same crap over and over and over. Nothing changed. Everyone's getting crazy now, and the Christmas rally, and oh my gosh. But what again, we're not out of the clear yet. Remember, those shorts, keep an eye on everything, guys. Workday finally went negative. Let's see Autodesk. That's been a bitch, too. Everything goes up on light volume bullshit markets, guys. AMD's coming in. So if you guys got that short, AMD's coming in as well. I'm almost tempted just to take the 5%, 6% and cut it. But we'll see, because now we're coming into this support at 2181. But we're going to see what's going on, guys. Right now, markets are in somewhat... Let's see. Now, remember, we're in a confirming downtrend. The volume still sucks ass, but we'll have to see how that works. I'm lit up today, guys. Gosh, I can't. Dang. I got to go more in money puts instead of going out. I mean, still, if we get another day like this tomorrow, guys, mamma mia. Mamma mia. Right? All right. Gosh, it still ticks me with these freaking puts. God, they smashed. One day they got us. We didn't have that day yesterday. All these puts would have been paying massively right now. But that's the story of my life. How the DIA's doing. DIA's, the ones are getting creamed. They're coming back a little bit. God, we get one more day. And then the other ones, yeah, the other ones are almost in the money. So the DIA puts are going, guys, if you have any of these puts, and if you were crying about them, start taking some, you know, to at least go break even, take something off of them. The IWMs, you're in the money now. Okay? So keep them going. I'm going to let them ride. I was willing to let them ride to zero. You know, for those small trades, $100, $200, that means absolutely nothing to me. So, I mean, but for you guys, though, you know, I hate, you know, when I put spec trades out there, guys, you got to respect the fact that you don't load the boat. Tesla, guys, hopefully you added more in Tesla. We added more on that trade. And you know what? I'm almost ready to probably, I think I might take half of the half off and just hold half. It's coming down pretty well. You know what? Let me breathe here, guys. Let me breathe. So if you're new to the room, punch up a symbol. Trying to get a handle on these markets. So guys, we mentioned GS in the morning and the bank stocks all week. And, you know, you're not catching a bit on the bank stocks and the markets are trying to go higher. No, sorry, guys. Alta's getting hammered right now. But AutoZone, I'm sure, yep, AutoZone's not doing jack shit. I'm sorry, guys. All right, guys, those IWM puts are $1.90 now. So you're in the money. Should I cut them for you guys? Because then I'm sure they'll go to $5. Should I cut them? Yes or no? I'll sell all my puts, guys, and guarantee they'll all fly. They'll all triple, quad. Look at this flush, guys. Anybody knows? Anybody know any news or anything or something on this? Holy crap! Hold on here. What's going on? No deal? Fears of slowing account. Oh my gosh, banks leading to decline. I told you guys in the morning too, the banks were weak. Keep an eye on that. Look at this, guys. Damn. One day. Yesterday they killed all our flipping puts. One day, guys. Damn it. I was gonna should have went in with more. Damn it. We had small positions that everything would have been up 200% today easily. And of course, Amazon gets the 1700, BA falling apart. Google's getting slammed. Tesla's negative now. Yeah, go Tesla. Look, buy the dip, guys. Hurry. Yes, news on Trump loves terror. Yeah, exactly, Mark. They're in the bathroom again from their dinner appointment, and this time they didn't wash their hands, and they're shaking on a deal, I think. Oh, no, Trump's shaking something else. So that's a long-term economic strategy to tariff and tax the world. Yeah, exactly. Oh, my gosh. Wait, Trump. Breaking news, Trump's in the bathroom again with the China leader. Oh, my God. It was so great, guys. They're doing some kissy. Yeah, they're kissy. Wait, Trump's Trump's got a hold of him. Oh, my gosh. And then it's funny, last night you read CNBC and they're like, Is it just a bunch of crap, the news, or whatever? You know, it's like they hyped it all day, and then at the end of the day, it's like, so is it for real or isn't it? It's like, oh my gosh. All right, guys, the DIA puts are in the money, the 253s. So if you're crying about that one, start pulling those off. I think we're going to get a massive flush today, guys, 600. Watch for a flash crash. Get ready, guys. If you are, you know what, I got to hold on. I got to post on Twitter. Don't for me to hold on, give me a second, guys. I got to write something on my Twitter site for my members. This thing starts freaking flash crashing, guys. I'm just telling everybody, just watch your positions and get ready to unload. I don't know if we're going to flash crash, but my gosh, look at this crap. 600 down, guys, and we're coming in pretty damn good. So just be careful in these markets right now. We're coming into some support on the SPY at the 20 MA. That could hold this thing. We are in the lunchtime hours too, but God, if we start flushing, guys, just be careful. Please watch your positions. The markets are coming in. I only can type so fast. Yeah, I just got to let everybody know that, hey, if I'm not covering stuff and things are tanking, cover. Please don't wait around for me. All right, guys, so we're catching a little bit of a bid right here. We're into the 20 MA. We're into some support as well as the 550% retrace. We are going into lunch, but look at the sell candles coming in, guys. Look at the volume on these candles. We've had nothing all the way up until now, and these are almost 5 million. So 20 million in the last 40 minutes, guys. So there's some real selling here. We still got a little bit of time on this. Looks like someone's coming in to try to defend this market. But look at that, when these come in, guys, what the hell happens to everything? Except for AutoZone, that one. Even AutoZone kind of drizzled a little bit. But when the markets start coming in, guys, yeah, Uncle Jerome coming in. Look at this, just straight down, guys, volume. This is where all the volume's coming in, all the indexes. There's nobody just selling Amazon. They're all selling the indexes, period. All right, Autodesk needed to tank. Yeah, that will come in. It's just, you know what? That one went up on earnings. Coming in night. It's coming in a little bit now, but you know, another one just flow. Oh my gosh, I got earnings, and the markets go up, and then everything stays buoyant. You had a little bit of a doji on the daily as well, so that was telling a possible reversal signal. But if you come on down, look where it almost went, guys. Had that one in there the other day. I mean, you can make a case it went right to it, but you know, these were some big areas. Gap fill. Up into this range here, 145, you know, and then of course it goes a little more because everyone who shorted it down here on earnings they're getting squashed. And we waited patiently up here. You know, a little bit upside down. What do you expect? It's trading, guys. Let's see here. What a nice fade. Yeah, right. Chase the sun. Look at that. Out of the blue. But you know what? We're not out of the woods yet. They, you know, next thing you know will be Mexico, Canada trade news. Trump and the guy from Canada are in the bathroom now, holding hands, making a deal. Target on workday, it's at 166. Workday, I think workday is going to get slammed. Just a matter of time. Nice topping tail. 141, 136. But again, we took the trade knowing that we're in a monthly chart, 123, guys, 20 MA. This thing's way out of control. So, but again, I'll take 16, 17 bucks on it. So figure about 150, 145, you know, even 140 would be nice. But yeah, I mean, I'm playing these at, you know, if it pops on earnings, I'm playing it to the monthly chart time frame to the 20 MA, just like RH. Same crap. $100 is this one. I mean, this one's coming in real nice now, but I'm almost done with this one, actually. So actually, I am going to be done. See, I'm bullshitting with you guys. All right, guys. So if you're in the RH trade, that was a lovely one. All right. I'm only in a quarter position now. Actually, I'm in the driver's seat now. I'm going to hold. Everything's starting to bounce. Yeah, they came in. They're protected now, guys. Holy crap. So make sure you're covering these shorts. If you're in any of these trades and they're coming in real nice, or protect them. The puts are coming back in now. Damn it. They were. Oh, we get another day like this tomorrow, guys. Yeah, they're coming in right now. Oh, Uncle Jerome, what do we do? Maybe Grandma Bernanke and maybe even Greenspan. Maybe they're all in the bathroom together. Holding hands. Something like that. Oh, man. Let's see here. Holding your hands in the bathroom and dying here. Yeah, right? Hey, Trump, what do you think? Hold on, I'm wiping my ass. Right? All right, let's go. Should we tell him we got a deal and it's real close? Yeah, Monday we'll get a rally. That's going to lead to more selling. Todd, are you here, buddy? All right, funniest part of stock twist, how all the bulls are in denial and hoping for the, oh yeah, market is closed tomorrow. Oh, that's right, market's closed tomorrow. Shit. Forgot about that. Damn it. See that? Perfect. Goose is coming in too. Yeah, let's see. Goose, I don't want to be a pig on that one. We had a real nice trade on that. So I'm not going to be real. Yeah, it's only 67.94. So it's coming in a little bit, not much. But Workday's coming in real nice. Finally, look at that. Market's doing nothing. It's like, oh, it's Workday. So, you know, it's Workday. It should be at least a $500 stock. Like Chipotle when it was $750. It was like, nah, Chipotle should be at least $1,000. It's Chipotle. She's got more steam. Gonna drop more. I just covered my Amazon short. Mark, nice, buddy. You got a little more than me, you bastard. What a coincidence. Market closed on one day after such a wow. Buy the dip on Thursday, trade it. Yeah, we'll see. Mealy. Yeah, we're short Mealy. Let's see, where's that one at? Is it? Oh, yeah, there you go. It's only up 3.93%. LZ, if you want to take some off the table, you can. Our short on Mealy was from 367. I'm looking for at least, $40 drop on that. I mean, it's down 14. If you want to take something off the table, God bless you. But that one's coming in nice. We get one more tank today. Remember, we are in a confirming downtrend right now. Volume sucks. I get that. But we could still hold up here for a little while, start tanking again. With the markets closed tomorrow, we'll see how that plays out. But yeah, Mealy, look at that. Never made it to our trend line too. We had a little bit more up here. Look at that. Same crap, guys. Short-term retrace. Even look at this little triple top here. God, I love this shit. Not one day we got yesterday killed our puts. One day. And they knew everybody bought puts on Friday, guys, and they just shook them upside down. Little bastards. But Uncle Joe, hold on. Mealy, yeah, LZ, yeah. If you want to take something off, take it off. It was down a little bit more. You just filled the gap coming down, so that's why you're getting a little bit of a bounce right here. You got a gap at 351, but I'm looking at down here, guys. Monthly chart as well. I think this one is a little bit stretched as well. 314 is the target, and then I'd say 300, 280 in this area. All right, LZ short 360 on. Oh, you shorted. Wait a second. Short 360 on 1221 or 1121? You mean? Okay, so you're okay. So if you're short 360, we're short from 367. So yeah, no, yeah. I mean, I'm looking for more. I mean, we're getting a bounce right now in the markets. What time is it right now, guys? That special time of day, lunch on Wall Street. But let's watch for some. This is what we're gonna look for now on the SPY. So SPY, let's go to the 10-minute. Look at that. Couldn't even make it to the big area down in here, guys. But we'll look for this. Got a little bit of a tail, and we got some volume in that. So someone's trying to come in and save this thing. More volume starts coming in, though. There's no flipping way. There's too much selling pressure. Uncle Jerome and his little bullshit routine can't handle it, even at lunchtime. So if we start dumping, you're really looking at 272.51, the low. If you crack that, man, then you're looking at 271.50 area, 270. And that's coming from the MAs on the 60-minute chart, right there. And you know what? Let's get this a little better in there here. All right, so let's put the fib in here. We'll take this low from the last recent push-up bullshit from Uncle Jerome. And yeah, right there. So that's not bad right here, 271.56. So, but if this cracks right here, you got some great support. If that gives out, you just let it go lower, guys, and let's collect some money on our puts. At least the IWM and the DIA ones, the last ones we took. Oh, options, I gotcha. All right, cool. How about short on Tesla? We added short today. We have a position in Tesla. We added more today. We're in the driver's seat right now. We had, where is it? We took half off. Hold on here, guys. So our average price was $358. We took half off on 1120. On 12.3, we added at 361, and we added today at 367. So we're definitely in the driver's seat now with Tesla. It pulls back again. I'm going to sit, damn it. That's right. The markets are closed on Wednesday. That's killing me. That kind of sucks with our puts, guys. Hold on. I gotta watch a couple of these other trades. I got members, guys. I gotta make sure I'm getting out of these things, especially. All right, so this one's holding up all right. Again, guys, if you're members, don't wait for me. I'm live right now. I'm trying to keep a handle on all these trades, but Goose is coming in nicely. We're short that one from yesterday. Look at that, though. I mean, we get the, gosh, come on in there. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Don't worry. Buy the dip. That's what we do. Buy the dip. I believe they might rally on Thursday. Someone will come in again with blah, blah, blah. With blah, blah. Exactly. More time for them to spend on the bathroom together tomorrow. Exactly. Hey, Donald. What do you think, man? Hold on. I'm still squeezing one out. So should we tell them we're in a truce for 90 days? Yeah, that's good. And you know Donald, he's just like freaking, nah, I want to jam tariffs up there, you know what? Until the sun doesn't come up, and let's see if they can handle that. That's why I think they're going to come out again, and Donald's going to be like, no way, dude, more tariffs. You guys are a joke. And then boom, the markets, and now everything. I was scared to short Tesla earlier. Yeah, no, I hear you, LZ. That Tesla's a bitch. But sometimes, but Tesla guys, and I'll show you look at all my videos, you can see. I mean, here's your area. Here's your topping tail. You got to do something up in here. Then you had gap fill too, which it almost fills. So you have gap fill around 370. So you still have that. But now you got more tails up and down. So, you know, we shorted here. We covered half here. Started going up. We added again today. We get another 20-point drop. We'll cover that half, and then we're really in the driver's seat. I mean, on this trade here, we almost picked up, what, 20 bucks or 30 bucks or whatever. Now we're in again. We're up 10 bucks again. Or so, whatever the number is. But this comes back in another 10. Boom, we're in the driver's seat on this one too. Should I short again or too late? Another high flyer, Coop. You know, we looked at that one yesterday. Tesla, I mean, it's not bad. It's at 357. I mean, that's my average price was 358, but now we got a little bit higher now. It's not bad, but you know, Tesla, yeah, shoot. Nah, it's not really a high flyer. I looked at this one had earnings yesterday. It had to go up into this area here. Yeah, we looked at this one yesterday. Monthly chart. I mean, monthly chart, yeah, it's not bad, but I would have liked to pop on earnings and then the drop. Still about 47 is the price target. Still not bad, but it's already coming in 10%. So, see Intel news? No, I did not. Wow, I just got back and the market is moving down. Any news? Did Trump say China? I didn't add W Day with you. I wanted, yeah, that's all right. It's all right. They're all coming in. I'd wait on Tesla to be 360. Yeah, I mean, it's still not a bad. The bottom line, guys, the markets come in. It's all coming in, and you guys see that. SPY comes in. Look at the SPY. All right, I'm going to show this to you every day. SPY starts dropping. Look where Amazon goes. Look where Apple goes. Look where Google goes. Look where Nvidia goes. Market's trying to catch a bid. They all starting to catch a bid, but they're all in pretty good support with the 200 MAs. It's a magnificent job they did today. Everything's at the 200 MA on the intraday. Oh, perfectly. And everybody knows that's my mother. Hello. Yeah, let me call you back. Bye. Oh, yeah. She's like, having fun today? She knows I'm short. She knows what's going on. But yeah, so that's what you got to watch for. Hold on, guys. I got to take a look at some of these trades. We added a bunch yesterday. I'm blabbing with you guys. So LLY, we're doing okay. Clorox still just, you know, you got to buy Clorox because it's a dividend safety play. Yeah, they're going to take care of that one too. Believe me. I want to see a couple other ones that I did yesterday. Yeah, they're all coming in nice now, guys. Beautiful. See what we did there, though? We talked about the retrace, all you members, all my videos, you're watching that. We got the short-term retrace. I mean, it was a nice retrace, and then boom. And then what's the news today? Something with nothing's looking good now. It's like, oh, gosh. Oh, man. Another high. Yeah, Coop, not yet. Scared to short. Yeah, LZ. Yeah, that's the Tesla. I'm scared to short that thing, too. Every time I do, they jam it to you. That's why with Tesla, guys, if you're going to do, say, 100 shares in that one, you know, 200 shares or whatever, start with 20. Go to 20. Go to, at least you have 5 times to add to get it to 100 shares. It's a beast. You know, that at least you have resistance. You know, trades like Workday, you got nothing up here. You got no resistance. You got nothing but mathematical areas that I try to come up with, you know, on high flyers. Look at this thing. I mean, this back in 2016, guys, it was a $47 stock. It's Workday. Should be at least 700. Yeah, you know, come on. So, yeah, this one's going to come in like a freaking brick. They're getting all the suckers up here right now. Oh, it's Workday. They had good earnings. Let's see. Tesla, there was a note about Apple acquiring Tesla. No. Is that why it was going up today? No. Oh, my. I looked at, I was like, why is Tesla going up? The thing with that, though, guys, gave us another great entry. When we covered half of that short, I'm going back in, like I tell everybody. I mean, you guys will learn. So I cover half. I add of the half I covered, I go quarter on this day yesterday, and I add the other quarter today. It's money management on these trades, guys. I'm back to, I still don't have a 10% position in this, but even if you have a 5% position, this thing pulls back another 30 bucks. We get 60 on it. Boom, done. On a half position, $60 in this trade, you'll gain maybe a 1/4% in your portfolio. And that's all we're looking to do, guys. If we have 250 trades and we all made a 0.5% on each trade, that's 150% gain or 125% gain on the year. It's just slow, you know. Hey, Wilson, what's up, buddy? Yeah, Trump slams China, market meltdown tonight. Yeah, exactly. Good to see you. Yeah, thanks, Brian. Yes. Yeah, it was a bunk article. Someone made crazy prediction that, yeah, exactly. What's up? Hey, PSL group. What's up, buddy? But my gosh, what a joke. Markets in turmoil. Yeah, that's what it's going to be. Yesterday it was, oh, China deal made in the bathroom. Trump and Xi or I or whatever his name is. Oh, we're close. We're close. And then tonight will be markets in turmoil tonight at 7. We're going to bring out Warren Buffett and Becky Quick and special guest star Kramer. Oh, man. You know, again, though, guys, we're in lunchtime hour. We could float right back up. But my gosh, you know, it's just like, here, keep serving the crap. Yesterday, it was time to buy, Santa Claus rally. Today, it's, oh, my gosh, what is going on? The economy's slowing down. Stop trading. No, start shorting. It feels good when you get days like today. Yeah, there was no deal yesterday, guys, over the weekend. Nothing. It was a manufactured bullshit rally to kill all the puts. Damn, they did a good job, too. But we'll see. Now, I'm still pissed we're not open tomorrow. Yeah, rip President Bush. Good man. I'm sure he's a good father, everything else. But, man, killing me with the markets closed. That just stops one more day. Well, maybe we get the bleed on Thursday, then we make up for it. But again, guys, if you're in the IWM puts and you don't want to lose money, sell them. They're at $1.80 right now. The DIA puts, the 253s, they're right there, guys. Break even. The other ones were getting kind of clobbered. But again, when we take a $150 put, that's all you're losing is $150. So if we get slammed the rest of the day, we might make that up on these two trades, the DIA and the IWM. That will counter the other two. And then really, we only lost on 2 trades, which still sucks. But if you took the Amazon short and the BA short, you guys killed it on those. All right, let's get a handle. RH, I'm still short a small position in this one still. I'm trying to get a little bit more. And gosh, we go, look at that. Markets are starting to turn down, guys. Woo! Is everyone having fun yet? Man, they're just killing it. Let's see here. How about that USO too? Gosh, USO's trying to get. Oh, you know what? Gosh, hold on, guys. I haven't really been. Anybody been watching GE? Look at that. So we did get a little bit of a bounce. Gosh, I almost forgot about this one. Yeah, nah, don't touch it. This thing's basing now. Markets go lower. It's going to take this thing one level lower, guys. Damn. Yeah, so keep an eye on this one. Dang it. I can't watch everything. All right, hold on, guys. I'm still... All right, let's see here. Twilio coming off the 96 level. Let's see. Yeah, Twilio. That's been another bitch. But that's all right. We'll be good. Yeah, it's pulling back. Again, guys, when you get those light volume markets and everyone's rejoicing and everything, that's what you get. Everything starts to roll up. So you just got to be patient. You got to have the right size positions. And here we go again on this one. So that's what we got to do. You know, just slow and steady. Keep it rolling. And, you know, we added at 94. We're in at 91.08. So we got our average cost. Hold on here. But we're in the money, you know, we're right there at the money, basically break even now. So we're not looking for much on this one now. You know, we're looking for $5, $6, $7 flush, and that's it. You know, and here we're in the driver's seat. We're almost in the driver's seat on this one. Let's see. UAL finally start coming back a little bit more. But DAL, I know someone took this one as a short. if you're in this one, you know what to do. That was a nice one too. We didn't take it. I want a little bit higher prices. Look at that. We got it. It broke right through that, right through there. Here was a big trend line, went up. Good call. We're just trying to wait a little bit too much. I was looking for a little higher. Didn't catch it. And boom, right down. So if you caught this one at 61, you're up $3 on this trade now. Start protecting, guys. Bought puts on G yesterday and scored on them today. All right. John, puts on MCD or S-Bucks. They're still tough. If you're going to do any of these names, you got to go a couple months out. MCD, is it up today, I'm sure? Of course it is. So this, it pulled back nice, but still, I think this thing's just going to chop around. I think it's a great play for a couple months out. I'm in shares with these. 164, I still think's the price target if the markets really pull back. I think MCD could go to 150, but it's one of those stocks. Everyone's going to go in this thing if the market's bomb. Look at that. We're bombing right now, and this thing's green. This one, J&J. It was funny because everyone was selling these this morning, going into Amazon and everything. Now everyone's selling Amazon, going back into these. MCD, the Verizons, the PSXs. Is the Verizon up today? Oh, yep, Verizon's up. Waste Management for whatever stupid reason. PG. Yeah, they're all up. KO. What was the other one that just wouldn't? Oh, Clorox. Oh, wow, that's 32 cents down. Oh my gosh, there is a God. So, damn it though, we missed Zebra. I'm pissed about that one. Damn, went right up into the air. Same area, guys, right there. 183, same shit, and it just did the same thing. But he can't catch them all. So, yeah, but puts on MCD and Starbucks. Yeah, just got to go out a couple months. Just be careful with those. Don't load the boat. I'm in with shares. Easier to handle. Plenty of time, but give yourself some time on these high flyers. You see what's going on. Everyone's rotating out of McDonald's, Starbucks, PG, Clorox, going into Apple, Amazon. Those start getting killed again. Everyone starts coming out and going into the PGs again. These are the ones where the markets are tanking. These will stay buoyant, the MCDs and stuff. But when the markets really start to tank, they'll start coming in, period. It won't matter at that point. Yeah, so yeah, you do those. I tell everybody, if you're going to buy puts, go out. You got to go a couple months. Buy yourself some time. You don't want to go out to, go on the 21st of December and this thing just stays up here for, another 3 weeks and kills you. Can't stand that shit. That's why, I never really traded options, guys, even years ago, because it's almost a scam. I mean, look what they did yesterday to us with all the puts. They smeared us. Some of them are still staying alive, but it's like, wow, what a bunch of crap. What a bunch of crap. One day, that's all they did was one day to us. If we didn't have that yesterday, we'd be killing it right now. That's why when we take those put plays, guys, we just go light. That's the bullshit. But you know what? That's how you got to play it, and that's, that's the end of the story, right? All right, so hold on here, guys. I gotta get a handle on this market again. All right, let's go to RH. I really want to get out of the rest of the. I want to see if we flush one more time, guys. They're all coming in. So just woo, MU's coming in. God, everything. Mealy, but it's mealy. Look at that, perfect gap fill. 200 MA hit. Look at that bounce. $10 bounce. And if the market starts selling, this thing's going to go click and then right back down. I don't touch, but look at that. Look at that support right there. Gap fill, even numbered 352, and then the kiss of the 200 MA straight up. That's where you take the trade. Now, if the markets would have been dumping still, this would have been dumping. So you got to line it up with the markets. But yeah, markets are pulling right back in, guys. IWM puts are almost at $2. So I don't want to hear any of you guys bitching. Playing both sides now? Oh, gosh, you're killing me. Both sides. Short that pig. Amazon, you're going to go to gap fill most likely. 1692 and then 1685, the 200 MA. The markets keep flushing. You're going to go lower. Of course, you know what? It's going to go a lot lower because we covered the trade. We still did okay on this one, so I can't complain. BA2. All right, guys. So everything's we can hit. Yeah, we could hit 270 on the SPY, guys. So just let's see what happens here. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Yeah, so yeah, again, we're basing. There's not much telling us. It's not giving us any signal other than we are in a confirming downtrend. You know, but look at the SPY, guys. We got the little bit of bounce, comes right in, it's coming right back in. Doesn't mean, again, 270, 150 is another good area, so we got to watch for that. All right, so watch for that one. Doesn't mean we're going to come straight back in. It's just let's see what happens here. Oh my gosh, I want to cut these IWMs so bad, and I know if I do, they're gonna go to 4. I'm gonna be like, that would have made up for those other shitty ones. So, all right, guys, keep an eye on everything. Let's go back to RH. So I'd really like to get out of this thing. RH, workday's coming in. CRM, that one's been a little bitch too. I got a dirty mouth today, guys. Sorry about that. Just that these markets, when they push this crap up like this, it's like, God dang it. Another bullshit, you know, routine here. But here was the area right up in here, guys. This was great resistance. Then, of course, it goes a little bit more. It's got to go a little bit more. It's still holding this, so that we're not out of the woods yet. Markets come in, though, guys. It's all coming in. Look at FedEx, too. There's a donkey out there that this thing's tanking today. Options are going to 0. And then he tells all his followers that he sold yesterday. For 100% return, this thing never even had 100% return. That's the funny part. The guy buys options at 750. They go to 1078. And he tells everybody he sold them yesterday for 100% return. They didn't even get to 100%. How in the hell? How do you buy options and then tell your members or tell your followers that you sold them the day before? Because he was telling everybody they're up 100%. It's like, no, they're not. Not even close. And then today, this thing's tanking. These things were like at $4 or $3. And he's like, oh, yeah, I sold those yesterday. Freaking hee-haw. You can see that. What's going on with the buying in Snap? I don't know. It's time to see you the December 7th SPY puts. Is it time to you know, you can start taking those off if you want. I'm going to hold. I'm going to see if we get some more selling. The 270s, though, on the SPY are $1.40. If you want to pull those off almost at a break even, do it, guys. You know, if you want, you know what? Let me mark these down here. IWM. Yeah, I want to see if we get one more. We're still at lunchtime hour. We're still in a confirming downtrend. I love one more flush. All right. So there's your So yeah, if you want to cut those, Wilson, the IWMs are in the money. If you want to cut those are good. The SPY ones, they're barely breaking even right now, and the DIA ones, they are hold on, let me look. Those are barely in the money, a little bit. Yeah. I want to see if we get one more flush. I know I'm being a little bit piggish, but guys, these were small positions, Wilson, for me at least. If you have a small account, Wilson, and you're up on the IWM, cut them. If you're up on the DIA, cut them. You know, if you got a little bit better price than me, cut them. You know, I know the other ones, the SPY, the SPY 265s, those are pretty much done. The 245, well, the 245 DIAs are at 40 cents. Not the best. They're about 60% down, 65%. So better than zero. But again, we bought the options at 110, $110. So that's what pretty much what you're risking in that trade. And then the Qs are coming in nice. But you know, God, that one yesterday just flipping killed us. I mean, they're at 69 cents. So terrible. God, yesterday. So I'm going to hold them. I'm going to wait for one, see if we could get one more down move into the end of the day. Because I'd like to at least cut the IWM for a bigger winner, and then take that SPY trade off in the DIA, and that will cover the rest of them basically. If we get a nice, if we start falling, we end up 800-900 down on the day. Those options will start popping. Oh, man, one day, guys, one day. AMD, is it coming in still? Yeah, that's what we like. That's what we like. So AMD, if you took that trade with me, not yet. I mean, you could probably you know, let's see if we get this end of day sell off. If we do, AMD is definitely going to be filling this gap. We'll get a couple bucks on the first half and try to ride this thing. See that, donkey boy? We shorted AMD. I'm in a position ready to cover half. I know you're in here. You always are. My number one troll. My number one troll. Hey, guys, I sold FedEx yesterday. I really did. Oh, and the other thing, yeah, he sold it for 100%, and didn't even make it 100%. I had to laugh at that one. Yeah, I sold yesterday. I really did. For over 100%. Went long, AMD? Went long? No, not $9. No, don't touch AMD. And if you are long, tighten that damn stop up. I think AMD is going right back down. And when we get down here, it's going to go lower. Market's dump, it's going a hell of a lot lower. I'm telling you, AMD is going back to $9. Right here. Mark it in your damn calendars. Right here. We're going to fill that gap at 977. Straight down, guys. Are you short? Nice. Keep it rolling. Me too. Me too, John. The two Johns are short. AMD. You hear that, donkey boy? Brian knows who the donkey boy is. All right, guys. Options on IWM are at 210. They're going off. Yeah, great short that, yeah, 9. I don't know if it's going to 9, but yeah, no. We got to wait for the markets for this thing. 1607 is a good area. I like $15, but at the end of the day, guys, markets dump. Here's your target. What have I telling you guys? Weekly 200 MA is my target for a lot of these stocks. This is at 931. All right, guys, we're pulling back some more. If you are in the IWM puts, you are in the money. I don't want to get an email saying that, hey, I'm still in the money. What are you doing, StockBookie? Believe me, guys, I get emails all the time. It's crazy. It's like, guys, relax. We're still in the positions. As long as you're not loading the boat. Much more fun than going long. Yeah, right? Oh, yeah. That's why I love the short, Mark. You get the staircase up and then the elevator down. And then when they're dumping, it's just like, yeah, look, buy that dip. Having fun now? Come on, break this. Gosh, I would love to get 130 on this RH. This was another one. Let's look at some other ones, though. Remember we did Vive? Wonder where that one's going. Look at that. Still. Damn, look at that. Retrace back to 100. Where are my people? Send me emails. Look at that. That would have been another great short. But we did capture Amazon and BA. That was awesome. But see, that's the thing, guys. If you're members, you're following me on Twitter. I heard my Twitter thing was a little bit delayed yesterday. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but you know, just say you're in these puts, okay? Now you took the small Amazon and BA trade. We took them short, BA and Amazon the other day. We got out of them today. Now we took all those puts too on last Friday, but the BA and the Amazon trade, even if you would have took, gosh, 50 shares in each one. You know, I take bigger positions, but even 100 shares in BA, 100 shares in Amazon, you're killing it in those 2 trades. You'd have made at least a couple grand. So those $1,000 worth of puts, if you were in all the puts that I posted, you just made up for that. So that's where I tell everybody, you got to keep trading. Even if you have a small account, then you got to pick and choose your stocks and a little more carefully. But as long as you keep trading and don't sit there, and even if you have a small account, don't never go all in, guys. Small positions. And if you have to do puts and stuff, yeah, pull up the options chain on Apple for trading for 19. They're up here, really nice. Yeah, gosh, look at that. Look at Apple though. We were long. We didn't take that much on it. We just cut the position and went up and then right back down, guys. All right, guys. Man, these things are everything's starting to move now, guys. Kick butt. Kick butt. We might have children in this room. I had to stop swearing. All right, so the Q puts, they're at 82 cents. They're trying, guys. Try. We get a big flush, they will come alive. Now the DIA ones, the 253s, they're in the money now. So make sure you take something off that if you can't handle a loss. Now you're going to make a little bit of money on those and get the hell out. Now the 140 or the 245 puts, damn. I mean, who knows? To be honest with you, they're at 46 cents. They're almost, so they're clawing its way up, guys. But they're up 37 cents on the day. Damn. Should have added some today. It's always easy to see. Should have went short today, Bucky. And of course, Amazon's going lower. Everything I covered is going lower. Story of my life. All right, guys, if you're new to the room, go to StockBookie.com, sign up for the $30 membership. Don't be shy. Or you can sign up for a free membership. You get some of my stuff on there. And then don't forget to cover some of these positions, take something off, especially if in these puts. I know if I do it, though, if I take them off today, we're flushing on Thursday. So I'm willing to hold them. They're small positions, not a big deal. Amazon, BA, if you're a member, just protect those if you're not out of them all the way. RH, only holding the quarter position here. Ready to dump the last one. Okay. Autodesk, still holding that one. That one's finally coming in. Markets come in. This one will come in more viciously. CRM, that's another one that got us. Coming in. That was another great area of resistance right up in here. Just took a look. I mean, look at this thing. 113 to 150 in like 4 days. Come on. Hello. Wake up, smell the coffee. And then, yeah, I mean, that's what, we're in some other ones, but AMD's coming in nice. Look at Baidu, $8 down. Damn, I was looking to short this one too. I was waiting a little more on this one, 2,000. Just never made it. Look at that fall though, $52 down. Damn it. And AutoZone, awesome. Still up $46. But even Workday's coming in a little tiny bit. Not much, but hey, I'll take it. I don't care. I'll take anything from Workday at this point. Oh, man. That's why I go small positions, guys. Easier to handle. You can have fun. You're not sitting there white-knuckling every trade going, oh, my gosh. Costco? All right, let's do it. Costco. And a little higher, guys. Actually, this would have been the area right here. Love the retraces, so keep an eye on these guys that retraces up. I mean, we can still get the Christmas rally. Yeah, right in here. Even on this top 237, yeah. So, but I mean, it's coming in, not bad. I mean, if it closes below the MAs, your target's 211. So it could, again, if markets sell, these will come in. If markets stay light volume and do nothing for the next couple of weeks, these can go higher. So just watch out. Watch out for puts and calls. Because if the markets do nothing in the next couple of weeks, they're going to be in trouble. The DIAs now, guys, 244 now on these. So don't tell me. Don't send me a crying email. X breaking down. Gosh. Yeah. No, not really. It's got to hold. It's got to hold the $22. If it holds 22, it's going to be in trouble. Market sell. Everything's going lower. Gosh, even Tesla. Apple's buying Tesla. Oh my gosh. That really, someone really put that out there? Unbelievable. Jeez. Yeah, no, I still like the $18 area. Still looking weak. If it can't recapture the 200 MA on the weekly, then you're going to 18, and then you got a gap fill here at 15.94. So just be careful with X. Were you thinking GS going? I don't know. GS has just been a weak pig. Shit. Here's a gap fill right here at right here at 170. We looked at this the other day, and if it cracks this trend line, guys, at 170. You better watch out. I mean, I don't know if it's going to come straight down into this area. It's got to hold this 190 area. It's got to go back up, but that's your big area right here. If that cracks, we're going to 140. But again, you know, these guys are in here. It's lunchtime. You know, lunch, that special time of day. Yeah, but I mean, Goldman can't even get any shit going here. Look at this, just freaking weak. See the monthly. Yeah, look at that. Even below it. Gosh, 153. Yeah, I don't even mess around with Goldman right now, long especially. 170 maybe? 165 right in here? Somewhere. We'll see if this thing, I mean, look, I tell you, you get these elongated monthly bars or weekly bars, it usually leads to lower prices. Markets sell. This will come in even hard, you know, heavier. Oh my gosh. Tesla and Apple, unbelievable. Hey, these guys will say anything. Maybe Elon will tweet now. Hey guys, I talked to Steve Jobs and yeah, everything we're gonna have a deal. And they're all like, Steve Jobs, he's dead, dude. But no, I talked to him. I did. I got one of those guys with the crystal ball. that will be the next one. Elon talks to Steve Jobs in his dreams. He says that he's going to buy Tesla or something crap like that. And then it will be, you'll have Elon on Joe Rogan show again. What's up, Elon? Here's a drink and a joint. 420 for Tesla again? Awesome. Woo! Everyone buy Tesla, Elon said. So anyways, whatever. I think it's one of the best trading stocks ever. They're saying everything to keep retail in. Yeah, you know what? Anything. And the next thing, guys, mark my word, triple bottom on SPY 1 minute chart about the break. Enjoy the day. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. We'll see. Still the vibe. We got to see more. 1 minute chart's too fast for me. I'm too old for the 1 minute chart. But we'll see. I mean, here's your area right here. You got to break 272.27. You start breaking that. But see how the volume's kind of disappearing now? You don't have it. You don't have the selling pressure in here. I mean, you got some people selling, but not as much. This starts picking up, or if we crack that low right here, then I think we're on. But we still have great support at the 20 MA on the daily over here. So that's one thing, is stopping that. That's why we're stalling out here. But we also have great support around 271.50 area. This cracks on the 60-minute chart, then we're into for some pain, because that's some good support right here, guys. But remember, we're basing now sideways under the 200. They got to get it above 274.13. Wherever the 200 MA, they got to recapture that at the end of the day. If they don't, watch for Becky Quick on CNBC tomorrow with Warren Buffett. We have a special today with Becky Quick and Warren Buffett today at 10 a.m. And we're going to talk about the George Bush funeral. But in the meantime, we're going to talk about Warren Buffett, how he bought the dip on Apple, Goldman Sachs, Amazon, BA, Tesla, Google L, Facebook, Nvidia. Warren Buffett just bought everything. And then it'll be tonight at 7, special with Warren Buffett and Jeremy Siegel. And with Becky Quick, special guest star Kramer. So, oh man, I even think he was telling people, "Oh, time to buy stocks." It's like, oh gosh. Hey guys, send emails to CNBC. Tell them you want StockBookie live on CNBC. We'll do some damage in fast trading. What's your call, bookie? I know. They probably like what's his name? Rick Santelli, when he's all pissed with the bond market. Santelli knows what's up. And yeah, Becky Quick. Yeah, not well. Why do you think Warren Buffett? He pops some Viagra and then he goes to see Becky Quick and he's like, look, Becky, I bought the dip. See, something like that. I mean, come on. She's the only one that interviews the guy. The guy's a pervert. Becky, I bought the dip. I did. Let's see here. They're saying everything's triple bottom. Laugh my ass off. Yeah. Yeah. They're bringing BQ out. Oh, that means Buffett's coming out. You like that, Natalie? Well, it's so true. Watch. If we start bombing, come Monday morning, they're going to have the special with Warren Buffett. It's just how it is. Man. All right, guys. Again, Natalie, you too. If you took some of those puts, protect them. For I know we have a huge rally into the close. You know, on Mexico, Canada trade news this time. More Buff and Becky jokes. Yeah, right? Gosh, it's in. Come on. You love that. I love you, Warren. Yeah. You like that, Raj? But yeah, it's so, when I was trading with these guys years ago, they used to tell me all this stuff. Watch for this guy, watch for that guy. When the markets go down, they're going to throw this guy. And it's just so, it's like markets are down now. I guarantee they're on the phone with Buffett right now. Hey, Warren, what's up? It's what was Steve Leisman, the guy who greases Ben Bernanke's ass every time the Fed used to talk. I don't think, is he first in line every time? Steve Leisman put on his lipstick. Uncle Ben, it's Steve. Do I get the first question? So, Steve with the Buffett voice. Oh, man. No. You got to have fun, guys. That's why right now I got the right positions out there. Yeah, I'm upside down in some of them. The puts are coming in a little bit. Got to have fun. You start going all in, heavy positions. Instead of 10 positions, you do one big one all in. It's just too much stress. That's what it is. Should get puts on weekdays still now. I'm in shares. I shorted calls in this thing too. It's not bad. What I would do on this one, if we get a topping tail on the daily chart here, not that it's going to play out, I would wait for the retrace. And then if it doesn't close above the 172.77, that's where you're going to, you want it to retrace one more time. So if we get a light volume day on Thursday, Friday, this thing goes up, that's when I want you to do it. But I want you to go a couple months out. I don't play couple month out puts. Whatever puts are going to make you survive for a couple month hold. I mean, this could come in next week like a son of a bitch and drop 40 points. Or it might take 3-4 months to come in. These monthly chart plays, sometimes they come in with a vengeance. Sometimes they take a long time to do it. So you got to give yourself some time on these. I don't play puts on these. I play shares. I have a big enough account to do that. So if you don't have a big enough account, just whatever it is to where you're betting on this thing going down maybe 3 months or so, 4 months, go out that far. I mean, at least until I would probably go Marches, because if we get some ass kicking in January and February, these will come in real nice. But my price target is still 123 and then $100. But the market's got to come in for this one. So I hear you. I just do only options, no shares. Yeah. So yeah, you can do that one. NIO. All right. Yeah. So do that. I mean, there's nothing wrong with puts or anything. I just, maybe 7-8 years ago, that's what I would do. But I've been doing these monthly chart plays for a long flipping time. I've always done shares, puts. You know what, PSLL group? Let me know which ones you would go to buy yourself that 4 months time. I mean, you could probably go 4 months out, March or April. But what's going to deter? I don't want you to be in this one and this thing just sits and sits and sits, and the options are just going to zero. That's why I want you to buy yourself enough time to where even if it sits, they only deteriorate just a little tiny bit, because eventually you'll get that. Just like AutoZone, same crap. This time will come. Believe me. It's just AutoZone, guys. It's a light volume name, and that's what it does. Look at Alta, same crap. Same crap. But Alta's finally starting to come in again. This is another one, just like AutoZone. It's got to get that asshole pop. and then it dropped. You know, it's gotta go up, come in, pop again, come in, pop again, come in, pop again. They can't make it easy, but look what it's doing now. It's slowly grinding lower. Monthly chart, you know, monthly chart 247 is my price target. So we got another $40 to go, guys. All right, everything's coming in a little bit more. Nothing crazy. Pushing him to do. John would blame me for pushing him to do options. Yeah, Raj. Raj is the guy you got to watch out for here, guys. If he tells you to do something, do the opposite. Now, me and Raj, we go way back a couple years, at least, right? A couple years, maybe a little bit longer. Yeah, but PSL group. I know you're a member. I don't know your name, but yeah, just do that. Protect yourself. And puts, calls. I don't care what you do. Or better yet, go go with a however you do options where you're playing the decay. If you can't short calls on this one, then whatever you could play a decay option on these monthlies, that's what you want to do too. You could play that. You could play it that way too. Peter, okay, that's right. How about them Cowboys? No Cowboys. I'm not a Cowboy fan. Sorry. Yeah, put Romo back in there. He did real good for those guys. Robert. All right, guys, we're coming in again. Woo! Is everybody having fun? All right, the IWM options are 219 now and 226. If you guys are not going to take profits, I don't want to get emails telling you that you're crying about you're losing money. I'm losing money. I took too big of a position. The DIA ones are 279 now by 265. You're up in those if you took those. Don't want to hear you babies crying. Nah, I'm kidding. What was that one? And broke? Well, I don't know. Moosey for life. Oh, and broke, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, consolidating. That's what we're waiting for. I was telling you, confirming downtrend still intact. All right, guys, let's get ready. This could be fun. All right, we're coming right into that next area, the 270-150. If that area gives out, guys, step aside. That's all I can say. All right, we're not there yet. Like Bondu says, economy is going weak. Yeah, yield curve inversion, short. Thanks. Spy broke. Yeah, short end. Here we go. All right, guys. The DIAs are coming in real nice. 290 by 278 now. Okay, almost up 50% on these. If you guys are crying about these trades, then take them off. Got to keep an eye on these trades, guys. I'm sorry if I'm not answering questions right now. I got my members to protect and get these out of these positions. All right, so if you guys are in these positions, your members, just start trimming them, especially ones that I'm not seeing right now. I got to get a handle on this. So give me a second here, guys. I want to see RH here. RH still holding up okay. Look at Amazon, guys. Son of a bitch. Cover that one and look at that thing dropping. Gosh darn it. Even BA too. Guys, if you're in the BA and Amazon trades, start protecting them or protect them or get the hell out of them. I mean, we can still bounce, but just take the money and run, guys. We're starting to come in even more. Awesome, guys. Awesome. All right, the IWMs are at 237 by 248 now. Okay. The DIAs are the hold on. Oh my gosh, guys, here we go. Having fun. All right, maybe I could get the right one in here. DIA. So start trimming. DIAs are at 330 now. I'm going to take them off for you guys so you guys can make more money. Freaking garbage. All right, yep. I'm not even going to mess around anymore, guys. All right, so the DIAs, they're hitting $3, guys, right now. SPY's hitting this good support right here, guys. So let's see how this is going to handle it. We got one. Oh my gosh, we got 10 seconds for the 60-minute to close. Look at this crap. They're trying to bounce it up over it. 60-minute close is right now, guys. Look at this. Holy shit. They didn't want it to close below. That's bad news. Oh my gosh. Look at the volume coming in. So here we are on the 60-minute. This is what I was saying support. 271.50 area. Look at that, though. As soon as it goes below, they popped it up, and then we click over. We are at 11:30 with 2.5 hours left. We are in a confirming downtrend, 700 down. If you're in these options, especially the ones we did on 11:30. God, give me a second, guys. Okay, SPY. All right. So I'm telling my members the DIA puts, the SPY puts. These are the, what are they? The 253 and the 270s. Nice. Look at that. Nice pop on those. All right, guys. I'm out of the DIAs. I'm not going to mess around. I'm not messing around. I got out at 310, guys, on my DIA puts. I was the last one out there at the highs. See ya. So that's one. So this is at 10. I mean, you can still hold them or protect them. I'm done. I only had 5, so big deal. Small position. You know, I take a little bit bigger positions, guys. But I tell all you guys, keep them small. I mean, it's still a small position for me. But hey, 310, I will take it. I will take it. Because yesterday it was like, this sucks. Here we go again. Losing on the puts. But today I'm not going to mess around. Hell with it. I want winners. If you're in the SPY ones, let's see. IWM ones are still doing well, so I'm going to hold those. I'm going to just slowly pull these off, guys. I'm not going to dick around anymore. So the SPY ones, the 270s, they're up a little bit, nothing crazy, but the IWMs are still doing real well. So keep an eye on the IWMs. I'm going to be watching those close, guys. If those things really start to pop, I'm going to pop those off too. I don't care anymore. And those are the where are we? The 150s. All right. The DIA, I'm out of one of them. Still in the 245s. I'm going to hold the ones that I'm just getting the beat down on, and the Qs as well. The Qs I'm holding too. But, you know, ones I'm already in the money, I'm just going to say thank you very much and on to the next one. I'm not going to screw around. Done screwing around. Even the IWMs are now, they're popping off at 244. They're 238 by 247 now. We got into those at 155. So we're doing pretty good with those. We get a little bit more, we could get 100% on those. So, all right, let's see if we get one more dip. See where the SPY's holding up, though? 50% retrace, the 200 MA. If this cracks, guys, step aside. If you're in anything long because you're buying a dip, please, please protect those trades. Next area is going to be 270 or so. Gosh darn it, what an ass kicking today. Oh, here comes the IWM. Hey, I'm starting to cover positions, guys, so just beware. You know what happens. Or starts to sell positions. You know what happens when the bookie starts taking them off. It'll keep going lower. $7 down on the SPY. Oh, my gosh. Unbelievable. Gosh, you know, the SPY, I was getting my ass railed yesterday on this trade. Yeah, I might just cut the SPY and just say, you know what? Thank you very much. And on to the next one. Because you got to think, we're at 158 on these. They're at 80 cents right now. The other SPY position, we're up on it pretty nicely. Gosh, we got one more day on this one. 265. Where are we? Yeah, that just was a little bit too low on that trade. But I guess if we get another $8 tomorrow, we'll be right there. All right, let me get back. Hold on, guys. SPY broke, volume coming in, 720 down on the D. Yeah, we're getting, well, it's trying to hold, guys. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Got a SPX. What? Raj, see, like I said, don't follow Raj. Watch G. Yeah, SQ getting hammered. Can we say Merry Christmas to us? Thanks. Yeah, no problem. No problem. You're welcome, guys. You know what? Again, it's trading. Is this luck? You know, like, yes, God, one day, God, that one day screwed everything, guys. With market close. Oh, yeah, that's right. So if you got options out tomorrow, yeah, what the hell? Now let's do the opposite, right, Raj? Don't buy calls right here, man. When you're selling like this, no way. You got some big gonads, buddy. That's a tough trade, though. I mean, you got a confirming downtrend. You're almost 700 down. You got a little bit of a bearish pattern. I mean, this is the only savings grace right here. Is this the 200 MA down in here? This starts to break. You got to get out of that, Raj. Oh, maybe it will go to Thursday. I don't know. If anybody knows what expires tomorrow, does it go until Thursday or does it go? All right. Will it lotto call scalp quicken and out? Oh, I know what you're doing, Raj. I know what you're doing. Volume coming in 7. Yeah, look at that. Damn. SQ down. Yeah. Everything's getting hammered, but AutoZone. But they had earnings, though. But see how it's slowly dragging AutoZone in? Burlington's coming in. Citigroup's getting banks are getting hammered right now, guys. There's more to this. Oh my God, look at Mealy coming in now. Mealy, but it's Mealy. Warren Buffett bought. So that one's working out well. Where's Autodesk? $6. Hey, there is a god. Look at that. CRM's coming in. Dallas, if you shorted Dallas, I know there's one guy out there. Damn, I got the email. If you're short Dallas, protect that one. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Look at we're flushing. 262 on the IWM options, the SPY options, the 270s. They're at $2 now. So if you're in those SPY puts, you are up on those. The 265s, they're sucking ass right now, but at 80 cents, I'll take it. God, they're up huge today. Oh no, 85 cents. They're up 78 cents. These things were in the basement. Wow. You know what? I might just cut these. The IWMs. IWM's at 247 by 256. We're still trying to hold. Let me see where the RH is. Guys, if you're in the RH and you're still holding this one, you know, please protect this one or take off. I'm only in a quarter position now. I got to write this one. Damn. Keep going. We need to get paid on our puts. I got to buy my kid a motorcycle for Christmas. Daddy needs new shoes, right? Holy moly, RH, yeah. RH halted? No. No, it's trading on my end. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Easy, you know, but holy moly, RH, yeah. What a nice fade on this one, huh? That's why we added nice and slow, and then boom, shot. All right, guys. Hold on here. All right, so the SPYs. The SPY, God, where are we here? I got way too many. The 265s are 90 cents now. We got them at $1.58. So if you want to start trimming those, trim them. But the SPY 270s, they're at 225 now, 227. So those are doing real good now. Damn, the one day, guys. One day. Oh, we would have been up 400% in these, guys. Look at Amazon falling apart, guys. $93 down. Oh, my gosh. I was tempted to short calls, too, on a bunch yesterday. I just couldn't pull the trigger. I was too much of a wimp. All right, guys. 262 by 273 on the IWM puts now. All right. Keep holding. Keep holding. We're doing good. Doing good. No, RH isn't halted. All the cloud high flyers are tanking. Yep. If we get a pierce through 270 on the SPY, you never know. I mean, we're down 7, almost 800 now, guys. Guys, just get ready. Woo, look at this crap. Holy cow. All right, I just posted. Brian, let's do it. Yeah. Getting ready to go long. Nah. It was halted before. Was it halted before? I didn't know that. Damn, we got it all clear from the Fed and the trade war, and the market's still dump. Game over, fellas. I will not yet. Don't get too crazy on me, guys. All right, two sides. So 245 now on the SPY puts. Woo! That's gonna make up for some of those losers, guys. Even the 265s now are at 114. We might actually get out with a profit on these. Woo! All right, the Qs. Qs were getting hammered though. That pissed on that one. But let's see, Qs. They're at $1.50 now. Qs are almost in the money, guys. Please protect the puts, guys. If you were losing your ass and all pissed at me, take them off. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to get emails, anything like that. The IWMs are at 279 at 291. If you're in those, we're up almost 100% on those. Start cutting them. Don't wait for me. You know, we're holding okay. See where the IWM is. The IWM. Yeah, you're at this little pivot down here. So you are at good areas that we could bounce here, but we're still in a massive confirming downtrend, guys. Just like we bounced back here, you know, a little bit into lunchtime, and then they just came in and ripped heads off. So just be careful. SPY. Let's see, the SPYs, 265s. Man, look at this crap, guys. Wow. 270s. All right, guys, just let's see what's up here. Not really looking at anybody's anything right now. I gotta see. Damn, BA and Amazon, unbelievable, guys. Hopefully some of you guys caught more of that. That just makes me happy, to be honest with you. All right, guys, looks like we're getting a bounce here. We still have plenty of time left in these markets. They're gonna have. Are they throwing more news out there? All right, guys, I'm out of RH. I'm done. I'm not going to mess around. I got too many out there right now. I'm just going to start taking profits. RH, I'm done. RH is closed. All right, so that one's done. The put positions in IWM, guys. If you guys are in those, come on, do something. I'm still holding. I'm willing to take the risk on. I don't care. Man, like I said, guys, you got to start getting out of these. I think we could get one more flush though, guys. So let's be calm. Let's be calm, guys. I just closed my IWM puts. Beautiful. Nice. Look at that though. Back from the dead. Here you go. Leo, good for you, buddy. Good for you. Algo may have flopped. Maybe. Flipped. Maybe. We'll see. Again, though, you know, we are oversold right now. We're still in the confirming downtrend. So don't, you know, and we'll see. Let's see here. Hold on. Key levels on the Dow and SPX. SPY, new low today. Yep, feels like we really could flash. Maybe. You know what? We're still not out of the woods. See, let's go back to the SPY. So RH, guys, that is closed out. If you took that trade, we are done with that. Now, remember, on the 60-minute, well, we came back down and hit the 50% retrace now. Let's get a better handle on this crap. So from this high to that low, we were in here. We cracked through this bottom. 271.14 is going to be the bigger area now. See how they're trying to get it back above the 50 MA and the 20 or the 200 MA on the 60 minute? They're going to try, guys. They got to give it everything they got. I just closed my FW inputs. Yep, good support from, yep, you got it, Elgo. Oh my God, internet went down for a minute. Did it go down for a minute? They're taking everybody out. Nobody can trade. All right, guys, so we're getting a little bit of a bounce here. They got to bring it back. I mean, this thing was flushing out. And see how the volume's coming in and see how we get more selling. So keep an eye on that. They're trying to protect these markets now. Let's see the Qs. Where did the Qs come in? Yeah, there's a level right here too. Yeah, 20 MA2 right here. Then you got this low pivot as well, right around the 166.93. What was that pivot there though? Yeah, look at that. So 166.28. See how it came back down, retraced up, and never looked back. That's going to be some support now. Yeah, they're coming in. Sons of bitches. All right, buy the dip. Hurry up. Yeah, everyone's freaking out right now, guys. Everyone's like, what is going on here? What's going on here? This makes no sense at all. Oh my gosh. But they were saying buy the dip yesterday. Wow. Look at that, though. All right, guys, you should be protecting these trades, these puts and everything. I'm holding. I don't want to hear you guys crying. Cry me a river. Don't really care. God, even the Q puts are coming back. One more day of this crap. We're actually going to make money on this. Oh, look at that one bounce. All right, everyone's buying puts now, apparently. So now they're going to make it bounce and do nothing. Awesome. Because everything is awesome. Workday down, $1.50. CME's coming in. Where's Clorox? Hey, even that's down. Hey, KO's green, though. Why not? McDonald's got to be green. Let's see. If McDonald's is coming in, we're going to be in trouble. Nope, 4 cents up, McDonald's. Holding strong. Everyone's rotating out of Amazon, going back into McDonald's. They went back into Amazon yesterday. Apple, though, getting creamed, guys. 177. Adobe, Autodesk, finally. We're not out of the woods yet with, we got a fake print here. That's not good. Son of a bitch. Fake print, guys. See when they put someone puts an order out of order and it pops up. So that could go back to 144. Son of a gun. They just won't let that one fall down. AutoZone, I'm sure, is catching a bid now. Oh, no, it's still coming in. Wow. Even Alta. Oh, yeah, Alta. Got to keep an eye on this one, too. Still holding that 290 area. Coming into some good support here, coming up at 286. But I still think this one's going to be a $250 stock. Gosh, save the market. Oh, look. Oh, did they bring Warren Buffett out? They had to have. They had to have. Wow, though, what a flush, though. Love that. Love that. KO. What are SPX? Ooh. Now, hold on, guys. Hold on. No deal is the best deal. Need the Buffett special, but the China trade war talk, yeah. Hi, John. Update on our other trades. Yeah, George, I'll go through some stuff. Oh, my God, internet went down. Oh, my gosh. That's crazy. Copy. We're still getting a little bit of a bounce. What trades do you want to look at, George? Just punch them in there. I will take a look at them. But we're out of RH now. That one's done. Done with Amazon. If you shorted Amazon or BA, those are done. We got out of our DIA puts. Those are done. What else did we do today? We added more to Tesla short. That one's not moving. You know, they're still talking about Apple buying Tesla apparently, or some crap like that. You know, I'm telling everybody, all my members, cover, you know, take some of these puts off the table. You don't want to keep holding these things. I'm holding, though. I got paid on the DIA one, so that's good enough for me for now. All right, let's see here. AMD, yeah, AMD, if you're in that one with me. Did it come in with some more? Yeah, nice. Oh, yeah. Pull half off. Let's take half off here. I'm not going to mess around with AMD. Covered half AMD at, God, we could have got a little bit lower. I'm out, guys, 21.45. See that, donkey boy? Out of half. Boom. All right, so that's 21.45 with AMD. Nice so far with that. 12.4. All right, so everyone should be out of half of AMD. Nice pull. We shorted at 23.30. We're half out at 21.45. Okay. EL. Let's take a look at EL. EL's down $7. Our short entry was 149. So nothing to do with this one. This one's still fine. Monthly chart. Monthly chart, we're looking at 128, and then I'm looking at this gap fill around 112. So this one should be a nice one too. But this one's going to take a little bit of time. It's a monthly chart play. AMD came down a little bit more. So keep holding that one, George, and then ILMN. ILMN. Yeah, this one's coming in. Yeah, this is still a hold. This is still fine. So we're doing all right, though. I can't complain with that. I mean, it's up to you. I want at least $30 from this one. A little bit more. You know, we just filled the gap right here today. Markets keep coming in. This thing's going to fall like a rock. But price target 255. I mean, 300, 255 down in this area, 289. So those we're in the driver's seats with those, George. But definitely the AMD pull half off of that one. Yeah, I'm freaking not paying attention. That one came down even a little bit more. Yeah, no problem, George. Yeah, if you're in any of those put positions too, remember, start chiseling some of those damn things off. Yeah, we're starting to catch a bid. Son of a gun. Ah. Damn it. Yeah, son of a gun. So anyways, guys, right? Anyways. Yeah, we'll see. We still have 2 hours left, so let's see what we get. Yeah, I need the Buffett special, exactly. Well, I'm trying to look on CNBC here, guys. Any news? Oh, the head story, Dow plunges more than 700 points. All right, let's see. Now they're talking. Remember, Apple was all good again. Now they're talking, Apple needs a winner besides the iPhone. Beat on Apple some more. They're telling everyone to buy the dip the other day and everything. NVIDIA, everything. Gosh, what was I telling my members, guys? And if you're a member, you know what I was telling you. You know exactly what I was looking for. And it pretty much did it. Follow my daily videos, which you should be. We talked about this. We got caught up in it. I thought for sure, and we talked about this. They need news to gap it up, and they got it. Look at that. Came right back in, guys. You know, more bullshit being served by these guys. Data, please. I want to short it. Come on. Let's see. God damn. See, monthly. That's your spot. Came back in a little bit today, but if you want to do something with this, I have no problem. 87 is the price target. Look at that, right to it. God, you can't do it much better than that. I want to see. Hold on though. Hold on here. Yeah, look at that. So came in, retraced right back up. Watch for earnings on this one, Alex. So check on earnings. But yeah, I have no problem with you shorting this one. No problem. Slow and steady shorting shares. Position size is the key. Yeah, you got it, Mark. And you guys will know. You members will know how I start doing stuff. And you know, and it will be funny though. And I was telling this yesterday. Every time you get in a position now, and if it's too big or if it's too stupid, you're going to think about me. You're going to be like, wait a minute here. Would StockBookie do this? Kind of like Tesla. We covered Tesla, went back up, put at quarter position, boom, done. Like everything's starting to go up again. Son of a gun. But we're looking good for a minute, guys. But at least I got out of the DIA ones. So it's, you know, slow and steady. We got out of half of the AMD one. That was good. We did the Amazon trade, the BA trade. Where's CRM? That's another one that we got freaking CRM wrenched us a little bit. Yeah, see, this is coming in. Perfect area, guys. So we get another day like this. Damn it, markets are going up again. Yeah, and they got to catch a bid. Everyone's freaking out. Dow plunges 700. Oh my God. Oh yeah. We're still in the confirming downtrend, guys. This little bounce could mean nothing. Just trying. Yeah, we even hit double. Even look on the daily on here. God, you get long candles like this, guys. We always talk short-term retrace, more selling, and that's what we're getting today. But we hit this level down here, right around the 148 area, and that's where we're getting the bounce. Nice bounce, though. Raj, pull those calls off. How much capital I need to start trading? I just registered as a member. It does, the more the merrier. I don't know. Is that you, buddy? Did you follow me at Twitter? Follow me at Twitter. Let me see. You got to follow me at Twitter. That's where you're going to get all my trades. So as a new member, bud, go to Twitter at StockBookie. Follow me and let me know what your name is. I see that you got everything in here. That's got to be you, yeah. So what's your Twitter handle? So punch it up here so I can see it, and then go follow me, and we'll get you in there. Oh my gosh, though, killing it today. Damn, look at that. We should have been well. I told everybody you got it. Don't wait for me. Cover everything. Having fun. So, you know, if you held, that's my fault now. Son of a gun. But I still think we could get some more out of these things. Is that yours on Twitter? Did you follow me? Let me see. You got to go follow me. I can't. I don't know how to do this. Once you follow me and I have a new follower under Twitter, then I could get you in the room. Hey, and thanks for signing up, bud. We're going to have some fun. If we learn how to trade, then who are we profiting from? Edgar, I'm not. If we all learn how to trade, then who are we profiting from? How to follow you on Twitter. Just go, it's at StockBookie. Go to Twitter, and then you just follow me. It's at Stock. So punch up on the top there. Search Twitter at StockBookie, and then just follow me, and then I'll get you into the room. So I'm not sure if we all learn how to trade, then who are we profiting from? I mean, Edgar, there's millions of people in here trading, bud. So I'm not sure what you're asking. So as we're shorting these names and buying puts, we're just getting in and getting out. Like we shorted Amazon and BA yesterday. We covered those. Okay, staying pending. All right, hold on. I don't know why I'm refreshing. All right, hold on here. Okay, there you go. All right, so, all right, bud, you're in. All right, thanks for signing up, bud. All right, damn. I got another guy following me, but I don't know. He's not a member, so I'm not going to let him in. I think he's talking about the market was perfectly efficient. I'm not sure. Zero arbitrary situations, which is never not going to happen. Why do you think Tesla is still holding and not falling? I think, didn't they have some news on Apple buying them? They had some news on Apple buying them, Eric, something like that. I don't even know. That's what somebody punched in earlier today. They had like somebody had a note, and they were saying in 2019 Apple's going to buy Tesla or something. So Tesla's just holding up on bullshit at this point. So yeah, so you're in the room. I think we're talking about the market was perfectly efficient. Nah, thank you, no problem. No, thank you, bud. Yeah, I mean, right now we're getting a little bit of a bounce. You'd expect that. If you look at the 60, let's go to the 60 minute here. 60-minute time frame. I'm going to go, I just want to see what these things are holding here. Yeah, so now you remember. So tonight, watch my SPY videos and stuff. Very important. Yeah, look what we hit today. So we hit double bottom here, and we hit the 750 retrace on the 60-minute on the IWM. So that's another reason why we're bouncing down in here. See where it bounced up here and went up? This was the last, this is the scene of the crime here. So you're going to get that little bit of a bounce. Is it going to be short-lived? Possibly. Raj, get out of those trades, man. If you made money, get out of those. Because we're in a massive confirming downtrend right now. I think every uptick is going to be led to more selling. So just be careful with that trade. I missed the whole move. Move down, damn it. Which one, DJ? Which one? Did you get anything on Amazon and BA? I know, we're gonna miss some. Yeah, it was a bunk article. Yeah. Looking good for another leg down and fit. Yeah, we'll see. You know what? We're hard to say right now, guys. We're in a confirming downtrend. We're also into good support. even on the 60-minute Qs, we're into good support. Let's look at the daily Qs. Good support at the 20 MA. Let's look at the DIA. DIA is good support with the 200 MA down at the 250, even number 251. And then the SPY. SPY we're right here too at the 50 retrace. Coming into, especially here on the 60-minute time frame, you got the 200 MA. They're trying to hold it above that. So you have great support here. Brian, I can't tell you what the confirming downtrend is. I might tell you guys one day. That's something I've learned. It took me a long time to get that down, and sometimes it's true, sometimes it isn't. But one day I'll teach you guys that. Oh, really? You were away on these? Oh my gosh. Well, we had some puts we got in the other day. If you're looking at the if you're looking at my price sheet, guys, if you're a new member at StockBookie, and I'm trying to send this to everybody. There's a spot in there. Let's see here. Well, it's just a new member video, so I'm going to have it. I'm going to see if I can have it pinned to the top. So if you're a new member at StockBookie, please go right here. New members video. Please watch. I think I might have I'm going to make a new category, and it's just going to be for new members. So please watch this video. It shows what shares we're in, what we're doing. When I'm posting stuff on stock or on Twitter, just please watch that video. I'm going to send a link, I think, to everybody that's a new member. But gosh, let's see. Yeah, missed the whole move down. Yeah, damn it. Looking good for another leg down, possibly. Can you explain confirming downtrend? No. I will one day, Brian. that one me and a couple buddies came up with, and it was like, every time this certain situation happened, it was like, wow, check this out. So every time we get this, the SPY will bounce up and then start to dump again. Not that it will. I mean, we're into some good support. We could definitely go up from here. But if we do sell off, that confirming downtrend, it's a good one. You got me, John. I'm out. Good job. Yeah, Raj, don't mess around with these markets right now. We're 800 down. We could be 1,200 down, and you're getting smashed. Take the money and run. Don't even mess around right now, guys, with this market. Remember, we were all good yesterday by the dip. It was, they had a handshake, and yeah, and all that. John, thanks. Second month in and already made enough to cover membership fees on the trades, like you said. It's inexpensive. Yeah, I had some guys quit the other day, and it's like, you quit. It's $30 a month. You're learning technicals. If you took the Amazon and BA trade, you had to have made money. The RH trade, we're making money. The Workday and the CRM and the Autodesk, yeah, we're getting close. But if you traded the Workday, the Autodesk, if you did those trades, I had some members going, hey, man, we're still upside down. It's like, well, it's hard to say. If you did what I was doing, and I know you guys can't do everything that I'm doing. Took my ass a long time to get to where I'm at. And if I'm taking trades short and covering, short and covering, short and covering, That's what I'm going to do. And you guys will one day see that, hey, wow, look at this. You know? You know, like the RH one. That one wasn't the easiest trade ever, but we got out of it, guys. But I know small positions, you got to start slow and steady. BA was a great one. Sometimes they work out beautifully. I wish they all did. But, you know, now, you know, like now I should have been covering the rest of my puts. But I got out of the DIA ones. Good enough. They're not huge positions for me. They're big enough. You know, I wish I would take, you know, 500 shares or something, or 500 contracts. So let's see here. So we're holding up all right. I'm looking at some other stuff, guys. You know, and I want to show. I'm trying to find. You know, my Twitter's really been sucking ass lately. Let me tell you. Let me tell you. But here's one on Workday that we did. Okay, we shorted shares at 157.80. Okay, we'd like to cover today, but this one will work as a swing trade as well. Double top, nice earnings. You know, just what the doctor ordered. Next area to add 161, 165 if we get there. So we added more at 161. Average price short is this now. Get ready with Workday. We covered half the shares, 152.50. It popped back up. We did it again. We covered half again. Went up again. We added more shorts again. Okay. Holding from here. All right. Double top is all-time highs. Make good money on this one. We're in the driver's seat. So we've done it. Okay. Workday squeezing. Make sure you're not loading the boat. Money management is critical in these trades. So we get the pop today. We're adding more on this one. We know we got to go slow and steady. That was our last ad, 171.81 on Workday. Because it's Workday, guys. We're at 168 now. So we're up a little bit on it. But again, this is going into earnings. This is what happens with these. Monthly chart play. That's what we're trading. 123 is my price target. So even if you're in at 150 on this one, you're still doing all right. But now you get it. If you want to enter this one at 168, even better. This is how we're playing this. It might take a little time to get down into this area. So be it. I'm in shares right now. I wish it would have tanked. Sometimes these things come right in. And then next thing you know, it's at 150. And it's like, yeah, sometimes they hold up. It's an earnings play, guys. We are following the monthly time frame. We know it's stretched. So that's why we're in these things. That's why we're in these trades. 123. I would even go at 118. Let's look at the weekly. Weekly is 96. My price target on a lot of these stocks are the 200 MA on the weekly. This is at 96. If you're in at this thing at 150, even 160, 150 even, you're doing fine. You're upside down, but make sure you're not loaded to the house. Even at a 10% position at 150, your stop out's at 165. So make sure, you damn well make sure that it's maybe a 0.5%, maybe a little bit more. Your stop out's $30. Can it go higher? Yeah. If the markets grind higher, sure. But I'm in this thing. I'm sticking with it. It's a monthly chart trade. It's just like the rest of them, guys. It's going to come in. It's just a matter of time. Okay, so that's that one. The BA came in. The RH came in. The Amazon came in. So we're out of those. So, yeah, markets are catching a bid again. Damn it. We were just ready to have some fun, guys. So let's go back to the SPY. Yep, that was the area, though, guys. They flushed it out a little bit more. Now they're catching a bid. Let's go to the 10-minute. Son of a gun. Yeah, look at that. They're even bringing it back above that little pivot there, 279.29. That was the last one. Oh my gosh, it's falling apart. See that pivot right here? See this guy right here? That's what they're trying to do. But again, we're still in a confirming downtrend. So, you know, all right, guys, buy the dip. Is it time to buy the dip? So Amazon's moving up. They're all moving up now. You know, what are you going to do? All right, small positions too, based on your account size. Yeah, you know, I always say $100,000, guys. On $100,000, your biggest position in any of these earnings plays should be 10 grand. I'd even go a little bit smaller. You get this bullshit now. You're just flushing like crazy, and all of a sudden, out of the blue, you catch a bid. I mean, everything was into pretty good support, but that tells me all these guys selling, they were done selling. This is distribution at its finest, guys. As soon as they get done selling, they know, push it up. And you know everybody who went long up here, they're all going short down here now. Time to squeeze. That's the only time they can get the markets going. Everyone goes short, squeeze them. Damn it, though. Should have sold all these options. Getting all crazy. It's like, woo, this is great. But, you know, what are you going to do? That's trading. And here I am again, guys. Coming in. Darn. Yeah, they're pushing this thing. But we're going to see now. So now going up, let's look at the 60-minute on the SPY. Yeah, you're looking at probably 273.48 maybe. 273 even number. We'll go from there. Yeah, everyone's buying calls now. Go, hurry, hurry. I think I think Trump said this. Yeah, stock twits. I don't know what's going on with that. That just, the feed just dies. All right, let's see here. Your trades were awesome. Yeah, that was all right. I mean, there's been better trades. I like to get in and get out. The Vive trade was good. The Splunk trade was epic. And when it leaves is playing with the rent money and hoping to learn what's needed to become a trader. Yeah, right. Yeah, you know what? It's about McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's. Yeah, right. No, I didn't see that one with the YouTube. Jim Griffin, Mr. Universe. Oh, is that one with McDonald's? Yeah, look at even Tesla's going back up. Damn. I wish not now I wish I would have sold covered half at 353. But whatever, small position is the key to, yeah, it is, Mark. And there's times we could go a little bit bigger. The problem is with most traders, you gotta watch it. All right, here, let me show it. So he's saying this is something to do with McDonald's. John posted a thing on YouTube. I'll keep it up there. I can't watch anything right now. I just follow you on Twitter. You got to pay to be in my Twitter feed, LZ. It's $30 a month. You go to StockBookie.com, you sign up, and then you get the Twitter feed. Yeah, I $30 a month. I don't know. I think if you've done any of these trades in the last couple of weeks, you had to have made some money. There's some trades that might be upside down now. I honestly don't even know. I mean, I do know, guys. When I'm doing this, trying to trade, watching my positions, you know, for the most part, they're all doing pretty good today after today's little pullback. But again, you know what? We go out? We might go positive today for all I know. That's the way these jackass markets been going. Next thing you know, we're going up. You know, next thing you know, we're 300 up, and it's like, what the hell just happened? But no, if you guys want to be a member, yeah, not now. Watch it sometime though. Yeah, I'll keep that. Yeah, LZ. Yeah, no, it's you go to stockbookie.com, you register as a member, and then you come to me, you tell me what your username is, and then I'll get you into the room. But yeah, this is all for my subscribers. I lost a couple, gained a couple, trying to get more in here. For $30 a month, guys, if I could teach you technicals and get you guys in a better situation when you trade, I think it's worth it. I paid guys a couple $100 to learn how to trade. So, and, you know, they taught me everything, and then I came up with my own style. And now, you know, this is how I trade stuff. You know, kind of like Tesla. It came down. We covered half. It went back up. We added a quarter, and now it's going up our ass. So I long the SPY bottom. Damn, hope I can make up everything I missed, man. Yeah, be careful. If you went long the bottom, just protect that. Trail that stop, because we're still in a confirming downtrend. We can retrace. Everyone gets is happy now and clicks right over and starts to flush again. We still have plenty of time in the day, so be careful. Worth following a bookie on Twitter. He is good. And holding hands and giving a shoulder to cry on. Nah, don't cry to me, Raj. No, but you know what? Like I said, me and Raj, we go back a couple years. He knows my my favorite troll as well. Don't mention him, Raj. We don't want to put his name on here and plug his stupid ass. But yeah, you know, I've been that trader, guys. Get my ass kicked. I love your style of trading. It's simple and to yeah, Carter. You know, I don't make shit up. Right, you know, like the puts. When on Sunday night, it's like, oh shit, we're getting our ass kicked on these puts. Sorry, guys. Just as long as you have small positions, you shouldn't be getting killed. I don't want to get any emails or death threats now. So, and again, like when the IWM is cranking and the SPY is cranking down, I'm telling everyone, take your shit off. Even if you had those puts in the SPY and you're still a little bit upside down, they still came back pretty well. Take a 50% loss is better than a 100% loss. But then we made it up on the DIA trade. We made it up on AMD. We covered half of that trade. And $2 on a $23 stock, it's not a bad trade. Hopefully we get another couple bucks and we're done with that one. But these markets, I'm telling everybody, these are, you know, these are tough markets. But look at that. Is that, guys, if you remember, was that perfect though? God, I wish we would have waited. I didn't think we'd get here. And the only reason we got there because of the bullshit news. We would have stalled out here and then we would have been pulling back. Those puts would have been freaking killing it right now. But we got that one bullshit push up, and that's what screwed us. But look at that, right into it, guys, and right back down. But it's holding the 20 MA. What do we talk about the 20 MA being important? See how they're going to protect this thing with everything they flipping got today. If we get back below here, this bullshit pop was nothing but bullshit. So be very, very careful, guys. Yeah, so if you guys are trying to go long, just be careful. Tighten those stops. If we get another wave of selling, it could be vicious. And we could. We are still in a massive confirming downtrend right now. Funny shit, though. Everyone's rotating out of the McDonald's and the PGs. They're going into Amazon, and now they're getting smoked in Amazon again. Holy crap. See, guys, when you start getting too cute in these markets, shorting, long, short, long, this, that's when they come after you. You know, that's why when we did the puts, we went small, just to say, hey, we got to give this a shot. If they don't come up with a deal over the weekend, and they didn't even come with a deal, and they still popped it up. God, was that just that was brutal. Still pisses me off. Man, if we would have got that pop and we got these 2 days of drops, oh, we'd be killing it right now. Killing it. Well, we're doing all right, though. I can't complain. Let me see a couple more things here, guys. So, yeah, if you're members, keep an eye on your trades. A lot of stuff's coming in. Oh, man. Holy cow. I'm just ready. I got oh my gosh. Oh, funny stuff, guys. Funny stuff. But anyways. So yeah, so right now, just be careful in these markets if you're trying to go long, or if you were long the last couple of days. I'm telling everyone, hey, get out of these positions. Don't be sitting around. You get that quick up move, get out. You see, everyone's so conditioned right now that, oh, we got the up move. This is it, Santa Claus rally, and then you get this. You know how many people went long yesterday on the news? On the news, guys. Yeah, textbook. You got it. Right back to 1700. Let's see. Oh, are we going up on that one? Yeah, I have that one up there, ExxonMobil. Let's see. This is a 10-minute. Let's see. I had a trend line up there. Yeah, nothing yet. I liked Exxon up in here. I don't think we're getting it anymore. But again, what are we getting, guys? We're getting a short-term retrace. Short-term retrace led to more selling. I've been preaching that. Not that looks like we're getting it right now. Now, what do you look at? ExxonMobil trend line resistance. Oh, right here, maybe. Yeah, I was looking more up in this area. Let's look at the weekly. You even got the 618 up here as well when it went up and came right back in. But yeah, that's yeah, Exxon still another one that should be leading. It's not leading. Apple's not leading. Just be careful, guys. I hope we come right back. If we come right back down, people are just like, oh my gosh. October through November. October high through November high. All right, let's see. October high. Oh, right here. Right there. Yeah, that's a good trend line. But you got to remember gap fills right here too. I still like it a little bit higher. Is that what you're looking at, Raj? Yeah, I still like it a little bit in here with gap fill if it got up there. If it consolidates over here and starts to go, maybe. But yeah, markets are just nuts right now. I mean, you're you're looking for support and resistance on this. Is that what you're looking at, Raj, right there? This one? I mean, it's not bad. I do like it, but I'd like it. Yeah, I mean, you got the 750 in there too. So, if it did go up there, that'd be a spot to maybe, if you're long, take it off. If not, start adding shorts up in this area. So markets are pausing a little bit, nothing crazy. Again, I still think we could get some more downside. We're not out of the woods yet, like I always say. All right, guys, so let me look at some other stocks here. Let me make sure. So Autodesk is coming in. That's nice. CRM, that one's been giving us trouble, but that one's starting. So we got to get back below the 50 MA on here. Dallas, DAL, I know someone took this trade. If you're in it, takes half off. I think you're in the driver's seat in this one. We didn't take it. I wanted to see a little bit more on the gas coming down because I think these things get another pop. These things, if the airplane stocks or is it airplane airplane stocks start to move up again, short them because if we get another retrace, because they might get a pop on the cheap gas since the USO has been getting the beat down. Gosh, everything's just getting a beat down. DE's coming in real nice. Disney, poor donkey, getting killed on that one. What other one here? SEO getting killed on that one. Buy a 26. Jeez. Tree, that one was just vicious. That thing just came down like this was a monthly high flyer, guys. See how it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months to get to the 20 MA. That's why I tell you guys do puts. Make sure you go out. Please, who is the donkey? Nah, Alex, that's a joke. I'll tell you guys one day when we're in a private session. Raj knows. We go way back with that guy. He was a troll that still trolls me to this day. Lies through his teeth. Never shows exit prices. Here, look at this one, guys. This is the fine. This is enough. I'm not going to mention names. So he gets in these options in the FedEx. They were doing okay, a little bit upside down. So they pop up to this one here. Okay. So it tanks. So it's tanking here. So then he posts as these things are just bleeding 50, 60% down. He's telling all his followers that he sold them yesterday for over 100%, guys, 100%. He bought the options at 750. The high of the day yesterday was 1078. They never even got to 100%, and he's telling his followers that he made 100% on them. How in the world do you make 100% on an option when it didn't even go to 100%? Then that's why I call him the donkey. It's like, what? Do you use donkey service? No, he trades with donkey bucks. So that's why I think he was confused that the donkey bucks went up 100% yesterday. And then today he's just like, I sold these for massive gains yesterday. Why are you telling your people that you sold? Tell them today. Tell them to get the hell out right here. A lot of traders don't know when to take profits or losses. So then here, when he's getting smashed, oh, I sold those yesterday for 100% gain. They never went up 100%, moron. Holy crap. Never. I'd show you the option chain, but that's enough. But So yeah, that's one day I'll tell all my lives in a private session. I'll tell you who he is. But funny stuff. No way. See, the reason why he doesn't put exit prices on it, because if this would have went up today, then he would have been like, they're up 200%. I'm the best. But since they got slammed, he'll tell everybody that he sold them yesterday. How? Yeah, I sold mine yesterday too for a 200% gain. I'm the best. No, man. If you're running a room or traders are following you, you got to tell them right in the moment to sell. Like I do, guys. Spy, yeah, see? Right, more. Every uptick's led to more selling. Did you use donkey service? No. Yeehaw! So I send him emails with donkeys. It's freaking hilarious. It's, you know what? Guy's a good guy. I think he's a family guy. But it's just like, I always told him, guy, when you have members and you're showing people what to do, you better put your exit prices. You better tell people what to do. Don't do the day after bullshit. Yeah, I sold that one the day after for 100, you know. No, you didn't. You know, and I ask the guy all the time too, let me see your trade confirmations. I've sent him all my trade confirmations at one point. And then I'm like, all right, dude, your turn. I'm like, what about your winners list? I got a list. I got all my trades. We have over 450 trades on the year. Okay, with a couple more. More now, 456, I think. Where are we now? 466 on the year. Killing it. We got a lot of open positions right now. Trying, hopefully we get a couple more death sells like today. We'll be covering everything, guys. Everything. We've had some really good winner streaks where we've done 50 in a row. You know, we've had some losers too. Mostly on the puts, though. You know, we've been trying to go these puts for at least a couple months now, and every time we're getting murdered. So we had to be a little more particular or picky on the put positions. But, you know, shorting calls, we've had massive winning streaks. So anyway, so by the end of the year, I told the guy, just, all right, he always wants to have a contest. And I tell him that stock trading isn't a contest. And I said, at the end of the year, show me your list and let's compare. It's as simple as that. That's it. But yeah, the guy was a disaster for 6 months in the beginning of the year. Massive losses. And then he gets like 10 winners. He's like, I won. I got everything. I'm winning this year. And it's like, dude, you got like at least, I want to say 50 massive losses. And then he'd think he's got 10 winners. And then he's like, oh, I won. Then the funniest one was he had a win trade. He was telling everyone with that one too. I made 100% on the win trade. He bought them at like 450. The highest they ever went was $5, and then they tanked and went to 0. And then he's telling everyone in his feed, I won on this one too, 100%. Look, I actually have that one on my StockBookie on YouTube. Look that one up. That's a funny one. I don't know how to pull it up. All right, guys, we're pulling back though. All right, if you did not sell the IWM puts, all right, let's go over this again. Coming out tomorrow after the market, but the market is closed. If the market is closed, they'll reschedule that one, Amar, OKTA. Just watch out for it. They should post ones. Yeah, I'm not sure how that works, though, to be honest with you. I think RH was supposed to be Wednesday, a couple of them. So just watch out for that. But funny stuff, guys. Now he's in the December 14, 18, 20 calls on Amazon. Oh, God. And then he had a huge loser on Amazon. $2,500 options went to 0. And then yesterday he was talking. Anyways, enough about that donkey. All right, John, thank you. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I don't know how that works. They're rescheduling the earnings, so watch for that. I mean, I guess they could still come out. I don't know if with the market closed or not. I'm not really sure how that works. I don't think I've ever really, like I said, I don't trade a lot of options, so I never came across that where the markets were closed, you know, because of, well, a presidential death. So watch for that. But I'm going to, if you want to become a member at StockBookie.com, it's $30 a month. Go to the website and register. Register today. We've been killing it. We were getting killed on the puts, and the puts came alive today. One day, guys, one day messed them up. So I'd still say that was a pretty good call. It was right here when it was hitting the 200 MA, and I talked about it in my video. The only way they're getting it up over this is the news. And it's exactly what they did. And then Slamola. Shit. One day we missed out, guys. If this thing would have clicked, then we would have been down in here getting freaking paid. But that's trading. What are you gonna do? Story of my life. Right? And you guys know, story of my life. So the SPY puts, or the Q puts, at $1.06. We got in at 162. So you want to take those off. Not losing. We're losing on them, but not massive. They're $155 or $162. So on that trade, if you have two contracts, you got what, 300 and whatever, $330 risk. Not a huge risk. I got it. You know, I want this goose to come in. I'd love to get out of that one. I mean, it's slowly grinding. We're in at 70 on this one, so slowly grinding. Let's look at Mealy. That was another one. But it's Mealy. Right? It has to go higher. Mealy, only about $11 down. This thing was coming in real nice, though. But, yeah, I like this one, too. Even on a daily, it's a little bit stretched. So let's see if we can keep coming in on the SPY. Slowly got the up move. But look, now we clicked over. See what they were trying to do on the 60-minute. They want to close it above these moving averages. They still got another hour at 1:30 Arizona time, 3:30 New York time to get this thing above. Big area. We talked about this an hour and a half ago. Big area of support. They're trying right here. We got the little bit of a pullback because now people don't really know what to do at this point. They start buying a dip and then they get the quick pullback like this. They're like, oh shit. And then we get the nice pop. Now they're going to shake everybody and bake everybody, guys. So watch out for the shaking and baking. That was a nice little pullback. Though. I was like, ooh, someone came in here and did a little bit of selling. See, as long as this selling stuff starts to subside and go away, we get the massive pop. So they still got a massive underlying bid in these markets, guys. Massive. Oh, man. And then the donkey, he cuts his stuff for 100% gain, and he's telling everybody it was a 400% gain. Woo! Yeah, it was. I'm still in them, seriously. I'm still holding. Yeah, but, you know, I got that guy's number. He holds, and then he doesn't put exit prices, so if it goes up, he tells everybody he had a massive winner. And then when the stocks tank, he tells everybody, oh, I sold 2 days ago for a massive gain. Moron. All right, guys, if you're new to the room, we are not donkeys here. But no, punch up a symbol. We'll take a look at it, see if you're going to go long or short. There are some earnings after hours we might possibly play. Let's take a look. We've been doing pretty good on the earnings plays. Let's see what today is. Today, earnings schedule before markets open on Thursday. All right, so, well, you were asking, what one were you asking for? Let's see here. Donkey Kong Trader, just like all the yeah, Donkey Kong, yeah. Hey, Donkey Kong. Thanks, Mark, for that. I might use that one. Let's see here. OKTA. Let me see if I could find anything on OKTA. Okay, yeah, it looks like from this guy, OKTA 5, CLDR, SNPS, GEF, and HDSN are still scheduled to report earnings after the close tomorrow. There won't be a close, but they're still saying at 4 o'clock tomorrow, OKTA will report. And today, yeah, today there's not really a lot. Marvel, MRVL, HPE, and MDB. So that one, that's why we didn't short that one, because they're reporting today. So let's look at that MDB. I had a member ask me about this one. Yeah, it's still not. Well, with the earnings, definitely not a play. Yeah, this is okay. It's still kind of a new issue too. Yeah, if this one pops on earnings, definitely short the MDB. I like that one as a short. Lulu reports on Thursday. Yeah, I'm going to be looking at that one. HRB earnings 12.6. HRB in the morning. The dumbest and most dangerous stock twits are the perma bull types. Yeah, you know, I mean, it's not bad. The thing what happened, Mark, with what was going on, you go up for 10 years straight, and every dip there, you just get buy it, you become a day trader. You know, it's easy to trade in a bull market. You know, everyone's a trader. And we that was the thing. You know, everyone's a trader in a bull market, just buy the dip. Then all of a sudden, like, you know, this is a great one, like Nvidia. It's been going up, 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 up. Now everyone's trying, you know, my area is still about $1.15, $1.12 on this one. And, you know, everyone's buying the dip on this one, and look what's happening now. You know, and I talked about it, until we get above this pivot and above the 20 MA, it's going to be a tough one. Still have a gap fill here, but everyone's starting to buy here. I mean, oh my God, buy the dip. I'm missing it. So you know how many people bought here yesterday on the news? Oh my God, that's it. I got to buy it. Holy cow. And now it's like, and now they're in disbelief though. Hey, I bought the dip. I mean, this thing was $290 stock. It's at 160. It's got to go up. Maybe. Next thing you know, it's at 130. Now you bought here. You sold down. You sold in here. You chased it up here. This was me, guys, at one point. This is everybody. They chased it here because the news, oh my gosh. And then they're watching CNBC hype this shit up. And then it's coming down again. And then you're in disbelief because it was a $290 stock. You bought the dip every other time as it was going up. So as Nvidia was going up, you bought the dip, bought the dip, bought the dip, bought the dip. Oh, I'm a trader, bought the dip. Oh man, it just keeps going. And then they wipe your ass out in 2 months, a month, just wipe you out. And then you're in disbelief because you're sold down. You can't take it because you're getting margin. So the guy who's dumping down here, he just dumped it at 134 and he's buying at 174 again. And the next thing you know, they're dumping it again. And this is where everyone who made money as these markets are going up, all the buy the dip, or they were buying the dip here, buying the dip here, buying the dip here. And then they have to sell here because they get a margin call. And then they chase it and then they slam them again. This is when and then they're using margin, which is the worst thing you can do. The worst. HRB? I don't even know what that is. HRB. Is it something to do with herb? I don't know. The dumbest and most dangerous time. Yeah, exactly. The dip buyers got hedged. Oh, yeah. They're getting chopped. Apple, too. They bought the dip here. 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 And look, then they're chased it. Now they're bringing it back again. Just be careful. That's all I can say, guys. You know, the markets are the market. You know, they're the market's the boss. Period. They'll tell you what to do, what not to do. But when you really not know what you're doing, and well, buy the dip was working and working. I mean, that's what you're conditioned to at this point. Just buy the dip. This time I'm using margin. I'm going to show them. I'm going to show that stock with margin this time. And then bam, they freaking take your head off. And then you just sit in there in awe because you're in a margin. You're only in one position. You're all in, and you're just like, what in the world's going on? Oh my gosh, I bought the dip, and what's going on? I watched Kramer and the Fast Money guys, and even Bloomberg said, oh my gosh, the trade deal it's close, and it's just like oh, H&R Block, okay. Let's see. Monthly. Yeah, nothing really to do. You're kind of in the middle of the range. I do see, maybe this guy here. If you're long, there's some resistance. If you're in a retrace, I think we might be in the middle of the retrace here. We have 50%. Yeah, you're above. I mean, it's not bad. You're above the MAs. You're trying to recapture the 50, but you're inside this bar retracing up. Look at that, guys, members. Look at this inside bar, right to the top. Couldn't make it above. Where is it coming? Not much for me to do here. If it was up in this range, maybe short. If it was down in this range, maybe long. You're kind of in the middle of the range right now. Are you long or short in this one, Derek? That will help me a little bit with this one. James Green, KO looks like it's to be coming down from double top and multi-year chant. Yeah, we're short. We're short, KO, James. We'll look at that one in a second. Derek, what are you looking at? Are you looking to go long, short? Or are you in a position? Let me know with this one. I'll come back to it. KO. Yeah, we're right there. I mean, this is one, though. We get smashed. Everyone's jumping into this one. And then look, we're right back above it. Damn, look at that. So everyone's rejoicing. Markets come in, this one goes up. Markets go up, this one comes down. But eventually, markets come down, guys. Yeah, look at that, right back above. Son of a gun. 45 and 43. Want to play the earnings? What do you think? When's the earnings? 12/6, Thursday. That's a tough one. If it was at the all-time highs, it'd be a little bit easier. But yeah, I mean, yeah, that's tough. If it was up here, yeah. Let's see, where's the all-time highs? Yeah, that's a 50-50 shot. I don't know. You made it retraced. You made a low, higher, low, higher, low. So the trend is pretty good. Yeah, that's a tough one. So yeah, the more the earnings, I'm playing like the work days. Where was well, we could do RH because that was the most recent one. Restoration Hardware popped up. I had my areas. You know, my areas are right in here. Gap fill, 151, 52 area. Look at that, right back down. We're out of this one now, though. So, yeah, just be careful with this one. Yeah, it's not even what I think. It's what the charts are telling me to do. And right now, you're right in that middle of the range. So it's really kind of tough. I mean, you're grinding higher. I got to see the action on Thursday, if it is an after hours one. Because that on the daily chart, I look for stuff too when I'm playing these gap ups and gap downs. This one's really not telling us anything. I mean, if it gaps up, you could probably look at this area, 31.75, and then 35, and then I don't think it's going to go to 37. But this probably isn't even a big mover on earnings either. So for me, it's in an okay stance, a little bit of bullish, but you're still inside these big red bars. So up in here is going to be big resistance at 33.21. But yeah, that's a tough one. Not really telling us too much. Now, like SPLK, that was one that we were looking at specific areas to short. I like what I seen, when it popped up. God, I wish we would have caught that one. That still pisses me off. Right there. Damn, it even popped higher. But it's after the fact. No, it's before markets. Yeah. So that's even tougher. So it's really off today's action. Yeah, not for me. But yeah, I mean, you could play it. It's always a 50-50 shot. like the casino. But that's what I tell my members, guys. It's a 50-50 shot. If you can't take pain, then don't take the trade. I don't want to put you in a bad position and you're getting your butt kicked. And then I get the email. StockBookie, what the hell's going on here? It's like, well, it is trading. We gave it a shot, but make sure it's small enough we're not getting your ass kicked. Workday's trying to come back in. Trying. Damn. This one's just working me. Goose is $1.55 down. What else? God, there's some other. If you're in any of these financials, man, just getting freaking cooked right now. UPS and FedEx too. I don't know what happened with those, but those are just dropping like a damn bomb, like a time. Twilio, hey, Twilio's coming alive. Look at that. So that one's working out a little bit better. The TTD. I don't know if someone wanted to go long in this one, but yeah, don't touch this one, guys. That thing came around. But man, my little Tilray just won't come alive. Get my ass kicked in my frickin' calls. I need news. That's all right though. We didn't load the house on those. Damn it though. Another one. Trying to look at some other stuff here. Shop. Right back down. Look at that one. God, there were so many yesterday, guys. That's why I picked on Amazon and BA for a short. We could have shorted everything yesterday. Gosh, in days like yesterday when we popped this thing, I think I saw Amazon Air headline. Amazon would have their own planes. Oh, might be mistaken? Is that why it was bouncing up? I think they were talking about that. Why wouldn't they? Shit. That would help them out tremendously. I mean, they got the money. Buy some planes. Put some pilots to work. But what was that headline? Like with the Amazon or with the Apple? So everything's it's kind of slowing down now, guys. Still not out of the woods. Still in a confirming downtrend going into the last hour of the trading day. Man, I'd love to see a flush. That will make everybody think twice about what they're doing. But Amazon, but damn, we could have had BK and or the old price line. Damn it, a little bit more, guys. I was looking around the 2000 area, even a little bit more, and just didn't make it. What's that one? UPS. Oh, is there something there? Oh, that's okay. I got you now. That's what killed you. Okay. That makes sense now. Yeah, because I opened these up. I was like, what the what? Why is the transports getting hammered? Yeah, that would take them down big time. Wow. All right, that makes sense. Yeah, then Raj put the post on there, so if anybody wants to read it, that's what happened. Of course he was out of FedEx the day before. Yeah, we're catching another bid though, guys. Jeez. Every time hey, Uncle Jerome, you in this room? Every time, hey, here we go, and then friggin' catches a bid. He had $30. He should probably be in this room. But again, we're holding support. You know, they came in. You see how the volumes disappear now. We get the good sell. We get the good selling volume. Then once it starts going up, it just disappears. Wow, huge volume there too. Good job, Uncle Jerome. Oh, maybe we got the your statement. Market is confirming downtrend is valid for 1 day. Just for the day, Alex. Just on the day. So that what it helps you basically like this. Let's say we're retracing, we go back up into a pretty good area of resistance. I'm not shorting these markets at all because they could put a short squeeze. You know, a lot of people who are trying to go long here, buying the markets long, they're just getting their ass kicked today. They're all selling down here, going short, and then they get a nice manufacturer short squeeze because the computers are telling them, hey, we got enough shorts here to possibly get a squeeze going on. And this seller, whoever's selling, subsiding or not selling anymore, we could probably get a squeeze going. Then they get the squeeze. And then the volume just pretty much disappears, and then it just pretty much automatically goes up. Not that it's going to happen today, though, guys. That's why I wouldn't, you know, right here wouldn't be a bad short. Even number 273 coming to the 20 MA. I'm not doing it, guys. Let me repeat. I'm not doing it. But, you know, if this confirming downtrend holds, this could easily click and start dumping again. But we are into some good support. They're trying to hold the 20 MA down here on the daily. Got to hold the 20 because we were above it yesterday. Here we go. Rally's on. And on the 60-minute, we had great support down in here around the 271.50. You know, even went a little bit. We even went to 270.50. Damn, that's crazy stuff. Yeah, just on the day. That's all this is. Yeah, I wish it would tell me more. That would be great. But no, as soon as the market opens, we know what's going on and what we need to look at. But Amazon's everything's catching a bid, guys. Because why? Everything's catching a bid with the SPY and the IWM and the Qs and the DIA. We're all good again. Buy the dip, we promise. I think Trump's tweeting again. we're close to a deal. I talked to him again. We're close. Really close. This time we're really close, guys. So, all right, let's see here. Let's see what we're looking at. I gotta get look at some more other stuff. All right. So McDonald's green, of course, because we're bleeding today. God, it never ends with that stock. This one's coming in nice, the ILMN. So again, this is a high flyer. We're looking for a lot more on this one. So we're looking for the markets to sell too. That will help a lot of these puts, guys, or a lot of these shorts. 108 on AXP. That one's coming in nice. Yeah, see, I mean, everything's catching support right here too with the 20 MA. So, damn it, you know, yeah, get that BA up. Gotta get that BA and the Nike. Gotta get Visa too. Visa, get that one going. What else are we looking at? Guys, if you're new to the room, just punch up a symbol. We'll take a look at it, long or short. Let me know what you're doing, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, I just got him looking at more positions, guys, just to see. Just to see. God, even that one's up. Mealy came in pretty good. MLM, Triple M, Mountain, Microsoft's coming in a little bit. Man, I love a flush. Come on, flush. RH is holding up, but that's earnings. AutoZone 881, that's earnings. Cheesecake Factory's holding up though today. Nice. Cat's coming in pretty good. So yeah, they throw that Amazon news out there. Perfect. Wonder how many. I'd love, let me look at the put chain. FDX. Wonder how many puts were bought yesterday. 217. Yeah, they're up 100%. I mean, they were probably up more. But even 220 puts. Let's see where those are. Let's see. Were there people buying puts yesterday on FedEx? I'm sure if I look through all the option chains, you probably see it. 12.4. No, today they did. 12.20. Let's see. Let's go 25. Yeah, people were buying some puts, though, let me tell you. Not a lot, though. I'd have to go out a little further just to see. Let me see something here, though. All right, pulling back a little bit again. Nothing crazy. Let's see something, though, here. All right, guys, give me a second here. I'll be back in a second. All right, guys, sorry about that. I'm starving. I had to get, I'm seeing a granola bar. But, so it looks like we're into the 20 MA. Can't get that anymore. IWM, 20 MA. Hughes, 20 MA. DIA, 20 MA. So they're going to have to get this thing a blast. They're going to have to blast this thing off, guys. We're going into the power hour, though. They were talking about that for about a year and a half. The power hour. They'll just buy stocks and it goes up every day. My God. What if we dump? Holy cow. So SPY puts are almost in the money again, guys. Remember, if you're in these puts, start taking some off if you can't handle a loss. All right, pulling back a little bit. All right, guys, sorry about that. Man, I'm starving. All right, guys, so we're pulling back a little bit off the 20 MA. You'd expect that. Remember, we're inside bars here. So right here on this area, right here is going to be a little more resistance as well. Okay, before we go up. Now, if we take, gosh, short-term retraces are out. Now, if we take a retrace from the high of the day to the low of the day, let's see that. This is all intraday. So we have the 750, we have the 382 coming up as well. So we got a little more resistance coming up from the from this retrace just on the day's action. IWM's coming back a little bit more. Yeah, every time I dump my puts, guys, the next couple days it just freaking gets plowed. And it's like, wow, we could have made 1,000% on those options, but I only took 50%. So I'm holding on to these a little longer, guys. I'm not going to give this up without a fight. They came back from the dead, and I'm good with that. I know what these are capable of doing now. Let's see here. Why aren't those showing up? Anyways, all right, so that's that. Let's go back to the SPY. All right, so there, pulling back a little bit, nothing crazy. Guys, if you're new to the room, just punch up a symbol. Let's take a look at it. Tell me if you want to go long or short. A lot of good headlines in here with Amazon. Yeah, thanks, Moosey Life. Moosey for life. Yeah, that helps. Yeah, because it was just like, gosh, why are these getting the beat down? Guys, I really don't follow the news that much, CNBC and all that stuff. So I'm just watching more for charts and stuff. Flush. Yeah, how about it, Mark? One good flush to low. I mean, usually days like today, we're in a confirming downtrend. We're 600 down on the Dow. It trades like days like today, they usually ended up at the low. We have an hour left, so we're going to see if this happens. That'll be flipping hilarious. The power hour. Brr, they're tanking it. We could, though, guys. DIA is coming back a little bit. Spies. I don't know why those aren't coming up. Oh, maybe. There we go. There we go. Why wouldn't that come up, though? All right, so pulling back a little bit more. Should have got more to drink, too. But remember, guys, we're in the resistance up in here. Okay? Let's get the IWM now. Same thing. Even here, though, you're going to have more resistance right here because this is where it started breaking down. So even on that one, and even if you take, if you go down here, put a short-term retrace, I'm looking at, just daily stuff here. Got 7 or the 250 and the first trend line there. Look at that, guys. All right, we're starting to come in a little bit more, though. Get ready. Get ready for some action, guys. No, I have no idea. I would love to see a massive sell until the close. We might actually get it, but we'll see. All right, guys, we're starting to pull back a little more. But remember, we came into resistance. You'd expect the pullback, especially off the 20 MA. It starts curling in. That's resistance popping up. You had 149 even number. Look at that. Oh, my gosh. What maybe they put the freaking massive sell on to the close. All right, guys, if you're members and you're in stocks and you're making money, protect them. Okay, and if you're up 5%, cover half. I'm watching everything. I'm doing a live session now. I'm trying to keep an eye on everything the best that I can. But if I'm missing something, guys, just freaking don't wait for me. Please don't wait for me. All right? A lot of our trades are coming in now. Some of our short-term trades we pulled off. Of course, they went lower, like always. But, guys, just, slow and steady. Yeah, now it's like, God, I wish I would have put bigger positions on. Oh, my God. I wish we would have put puts on yesterday. I almost did, but then I get a couple of my members going, dude, what are you doing? More puts? How much more are you doing? And it's like, I would have looked like a genius today. But, who would have expected this? I'd expected a little more downside, but gosh, not a 700 point kill. All right, guys, options are starting to bloom again. Okay. Even the spies are at 165 now. Okay. We were in the money on those. We already pulled off the DIA one. Now we're looking at the SPY ones. All right, we're up a little bit on the 270s. The 265s are still getting our ass kicked on that one. Not bad. The 64 cents, not terrible, but still, if we would have continued down an hour ago, oh my gosh, they would have all been in the money. But hey, you know what? You can only do so much here. Oh God, the donkey's emailing me now. Oh jeez. He says I'm done. I'm the worst trader ever. Oh gosh. I know you're in here, donkey boy. You are massively winning. All right, guys. So if you're in the put still, they're at 233 by 245. The IWMs starting to get a little bit of a bounce on the Qs, unless that was a spike down. Maybe that was an order out of order, or everybody's out of order. Spies are coming back a little bit. The 270s are doing okay. Yeah, Mark, one more flush, huh, bud? We take out the lows of the day. I think we can sell into the close. Watch, we've been 1,000 down. They're lucky the markets are closed on Wednesday. If we start really dumping, that's like a blessing. Sucks that Bush died. 94, lived a good life. Left his sons and his family and his wife. Good legacy. But yeah, just keep an eye on these markets, guys. And I'm sure I covered RH. Is that one coming in more? I'm sure. Most likely. Yeah. Wow, that's a surprise. How's that work day doing? All right, markets are coming in. Look what it's doing. 20 minutes down, 20 minutes down. Apple, 20 minutes down. Google, 20 minutes down. Amazon, 20 minutes down. I mean, you guys starting to get it? SPY, 2 bars down, everything down. IWM, 2 bars down, everything down. Except for Tesla. Well, no, even Tesla. Tesla, 2 bars down. Whoa. But you guys starting to get that though? BA, 2 bars down. Facebook, 2 bars down. Indexes go down, everything goes down. Indexes go up, everything goes up. Light volume markets, we're at 108 million. Notice how the volume came in and we're starting to sell a little bit more. But it was coming in right around lunchtime actually again. The lunchtime flush. No more float every time they're going to flush it. Yeah, it's holding. It's set. Yeah, it's back below 17, but trying to hold. Markets come in though. It's going. It's going to crack through that low and go lower. GW was a stud. Lied about his age to go to war. Yeah, no effing way kids would do that shit today. Yeah, right. No, you kidding me, Todd? No way. Kid, they're hiding behind their computers. Yeah, all the old school guys, man. Those are all the guys. Yeah, Todd, you're on ad desk. You're back to even on that one. Yeah, that one's been a bear, but just give it time, man. We get a nice flush out today, you'll be making money on that one. But you're in puts. I don't do a lot of puts other than the major indexes. That's what I like to play. But yeah, GW, yeah, all the old school guys, 18 years old, they're at war, and you get an 18-year-old now, and you call him a freaking pussy, and he's like, oh, you hurt my feelings. I'm telling. It's, I'm 48 years old, guys. I have no time for that crap. You know, I'll get some guys sending me emails too with trades, you know. Hey man, I just got in this trade, I'm getting killed. And it's like, all right, we just took it today. I'm upside down too. And then when they come in, oh, great call, man, you're the best. You know, till April. So okay, yeah, good. Yeah, let me know how those play out. Is that what you do? So you're going to take it about 4 months out, and that's like trading it so that won't kill you too much. You know, it's still at Autodesk. You know, it's coming in nice today, but yeah, you know, I was looking at a couple of those trades. You know, going 3 to 4 months out, and yeah, when it does slowly start to come in, they do come in. But I'm hoping a lot of these high flyers guys, they just come down with a vengeance. You know, we get another good sell day. You know, other than today. You know, we get one on Thursday, another Thursday, and then just think, guys, the jobs report that's coming up on Friday. That if that's, you know, I think if it's bad, it's actually good for the markets because then maybe they'll come back with QE4. You know, who knows? But you know, and then President Trump's like, you know, we need to start dropping the rates again because he knows what's coming up. As soon as he became president. The bubble and the big crash is with that. Look how good everything's going. We're not crashing. He knows what's up though. When these guys start raising rates and doing all that, that's doing it. The donkey's gonna make videos about me. Okay, please, donkey, please make the videos. Make sure they all go to my website and sign up too. Oh, see, it's stupid because he did a win trade before. Same crap. I made 100%, and I showed everybody. How do you make 100% in an option that didn't even go 100%? FedEx, same crap. I sold those yesterday for 100%. They weren't at 100%, man. They weren't. How do you get that? They were never 100%. Don't make me show it, you moron. All right, let's see here. Let's go back. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. Freaking trolls. And that's why I charge $30, guys. I don't want to deal with people like this where they're on this feed. And actually, this feed's been pretty good. Been a couple guys come in. But, you know, I just put them in timeout. If you guys want to come and learn and try to learn TA and see what I do, great. But eventually, it's going to go private. I'm just looking for more members, and once I get more members, all right. Someone sold their IWM at 246. Is that one of you guys? Guy want $3. Give me 3, one flush. We got a little bit more time here. All right, so everything's coming down a little bit more. B, why B? What is B? I coming down a little bit more, but now look. Now we got this is a little bigger of a time frame here. Now we're into the 5-0 retrace down in here in the 382. I still think we come down. Not today. I mean, who knows? We start dumping, who knows? I think we'll take out the lows and go right down into the 270 area. Man, IWM's almost at the low of the day, guys. Crap, if that starts to crack, step aside. See, and this is what I was telling you guys, you know, with the, you know, buying calls, trying to get cute. If you get profit, take the money. Don't be waiting around. Next thing you know, they're dumping it in your face. I mean, this could have easily went up. Don't get me wrong. You start coming into resistance again, got to look out. And then you're in the confirming downtrend. You know, now, yeah, we should have went short. I look like a genius, but, you know, we didn't. But I don't want to go short. And the next thing you know, they're just squeezing our heads off like a lemon. Been in those trades too. See, when you start short, long, oh man, you start hitting them, oh man, and then they get that one, and you go a little bit bigger this time, and they freaking wrench you. All right, 184 on the 270 SPYs. The 265 still just can't come alive. We get one good flush, we might be able to get out of all these with a little bit of keeping our heads up, guys. What really killed us though on the puts was yesterday on the bullshit news. Gosh, I was yelling at my screen yesterday, guys. Even last night when the futures were up the night before, it was like, oh my gosh, Sunday night. It was like, really, 400 up on what? And they went to the bathroom together and shook hands and freaking, you know, wiped each other's butts. We're close. We're going to have a 90 days truth. That's what they came up with, guys. Holy crap. That's what they came up with. Yeah, that sounds good. What do you think? Oh, that sounds really good. All right, let's go with that. And then Trump's like, he wants to stick it up their ass. He's like 90-day truth. Yeah, how about we give them this? Gosh, I want to see. Hold on here. Guys, if you're new to the room, punch up a symbol. We'll take a look at it. Up or down, I don't care. We'll look for support and resistance. And then we'll go from there. Oh, man. Let's see here. All right. So, yeah, we're getting a little bit of a bounce. We're coming off a double bottom on the IWM. Look at that. We're kissing double bottom. So you got support down here as well now. So you had resistance up here, support. Now, let's see if they kind of shake it and bake it. Maybe they bring it right back up. We'll see. But, guys, if this starts to crack here, the Kraken, like the Lego movie, then you're looking at probably 146.77. I don't know about today, but if we flush, just let it fall. Don't try to get cute. Don't get cute on me, guys. If you are, just put some lipstick on. So you might be getting slaughtered like a pig. Picked up cheap Senate option put yesterday for it to close and 1600 at open. The interest on calls was begging for put plays. Nice, Andrew. Yeah, we were short Amazon, so we cleaned up on that short. I was short with shares. Out DIA 7's not bad as it could. Yeah, right. We sold those. Yeah, I'm out the DIAs. Todd, I got out at 310 on the DIAs. On the 253s though. I don't know if that was the one you were in. Trip, good short here. Actually, it is a good. Well, hold on. Monthly. Nah, you're above the MAs on the monthly. Trip short was right here, actually. right back there. Yeah, not too much. Actually, it's not bad. Hold on here. I mean, you can short it if it gets above 71. Hold on, let's see where the resistance is. Yeah, if it gets above the 71.79, you're probably going to have to get out and then reshort it up in here. I would love to see up in here. But, I mean, it's made a move. It's pretty coming. I mean, you need the markets to dump to get this thing to trade out. I'd rather see the high, come into 68.70 and then do it. But it's not bad. You're still in a strong stance above the MAs. So target would be probably 57.54. All right, guy. Hold on, though, guys. Yeah, but not right now. Biting teeth on holding to see how she call it. Yeah, I'm holding this stuff. The 245s. Yeah, those are trying. They're trying. I got into the 253s too on Friday, I think it was. So that's what I sold today. So on the 253s, on the DIAs, we bought at 206, sold at 310. So we're up 50% on that one. Yeah, the DIA one. Yeah, this one freaking day, guys. Missed them by 1 day. Yeah, the two. Yeah, they're doing oak. I mean, they came back from the dead. But you know what? If you can't take pain on these, and you're just going to have to exit them. I'm holding them. I'm going to go all the way to Friday. I think we're dumping on Thursday, Friday, maybe. But I'm worth giving it a shot. The IWM though, I got to see how this thing works out. We're holding double bottom. But Trip though, let's see if we can retrace one more time. Watch for earnings on this one. If it had earnings already, it's not bad. I'd rather get it up here a little bit higher for the Trip trade. Yeah, but good call on that one, Todd. Just pull them. For me, you know what? Even if I'm buying 5 options, it's $150 or $550 trade. It's not for me. It's like whatever. So I'm trying to do cheaper options. So you guys have minimal risk. You start getting a $110 option, it comes down on you. It's not going to be that bad. But But I sold the 253s. Now, if I sell the 245s, it's pretty much just, not a break-even trade, but, it's not going to brutalize me. Let's put it that way. Yeah, because the 110 one, if I sold this one at 300, made the $100 there, so it pretty much washes the DIA, the 245 trade. I took a couple more contracts than that, but that would help that one. But the SPYs are in the money now. So if you're in the SPY 270s, you're doing all right. Not the best, not the worst. If we get one more flush, we're in at 148. They're at 182 now. And then the other SPY, the 265s, we're at 67. We got in at 158. So, man, one more flush. We could flush out. Holy crap, we'd actually get out of all these. But we're hitting double bottom. That's where we got support again, guys. We're still in the confirming downtrend. But, the volume, you start getting volume like this. I mean, we're still, look at that. Still get the bounce, still support. Even though I don't like, when it comes back around this quickly and hits it again, usually it'll tend to go through. Let this 20 MA curl. I think we might run out of time, but we'll see. God, if this thing gives it up, they're trying, guys. They're trying to do, they're doing everything they can, guys, to push this thing up. They got the kitchen sink. Bring Buffett out. Anything. They're gonna have to try. They're gonna try to do something. So let's see. All right, anybody else here want me to look at anything? NVIDIA is trying to hold. Look at that. Even NVIDIA, man, NVIDIA wants to dump. Look at this whole holding double bottom. It's like, oh, but this is another thing, guys. Guys trying to go long here. They sell here, they chase it here, and then they flush them again. It's typical retail traders, guys. That's all they're doing. Everyone's trading against market makers right now. I mean, we have 114 million on the SPY, so not too bad. But I mean, if we start dumping, we can have 150 on the SPY maybe. All right, guys, we're starting to retest the lows on the IWM. They're trying to hold it up. All right, I'm going to look at some more positions, guys, as we're coming in a little bit more. I'd love to get out of this goose, but still holding strong. This one's coming in a little bit better now. LLY. So that one's coming down a little bit more. Weekday. Still holding though. Man. I can't believe Clorox came in again. Holy cow. That thing's been a bear. Pretty good trade setup and just hasn't really done anything. What's coming in? It's kind of like McDonald's. You get fear, everyone's hopping into McDonald's. But eventually its time will come. Look at this, guys. Gold trade working. You guys got in that with me. We were in right here around 1.8. We're on this day right here, 111. I don't know, 80 or something like that. Working well. We're almost. I should probably take off half. I'm only looking. If you're in at 111, you're looking for $12 gain. Or say 112. Yeah, not yet. Not yet. All right, IWM at the lows, guys. Get ready. Come on. All right, everybody yell at the screen. Come on, selling. We want to get paid here. It's Christmas time, baby. Kids need some new shoes. Yeah, but this is coming up. Look at that double top up here, guys. Gold starts taking off. We're going to hit 119, and I think we can go higher. Guys, nice. All right. Options are on the IWM now, guys, at the highs of the day. At 278 by 286. If you guys want to start trimming those off, God bless you. Almost up 100% on the IWM ones. All right. One more good flush. We'll get that 100%. And I'll cover, and then we'll dump on Thursday. That's why I'm kind of just waiting on these. I had some puts that we bought. We took 100%, and they went up 800%. And it was like, damn it. But 100%, I'll still take that. That's stupid to be pissed about it. But that's how you like those guys. Yeah. I'm just talking to myself now, guys. Nobody wants me to look at anything. I'm bored now. Everyone's watching like, wow, it's flushing. Oh my God, I'm getting paid. Good thing we did these trades. But no, we're still not out of the woods yet, guys. We're still trying to hold this. We did close below. Look at that candle, though. Oh, man. Do we call that or not? Short-term retrace led to more selling. We got the one. This day effed us. If we didn't have this, guys, we would have been getting paid huge right now. Huge with a capital U. But we're holding that double bottom, guys. Damn, look at that. Here they come. Here comes Uncle Jerome. He can't handle it anymore. He's like, oh my gosh, we're getting our ass kicked. Push. So whoever's dumping here probably starts to slow it down. And it's like automatic, push it higher. Even PM's coming in pretty nice. That one got another bid. We should have added more on PM. Damn it. Well, markets go down more. Damn, we should have added more on PM. Can't keep it. I can't watch everything now. I need like a helper or something like that. But then I got to charge you guys $50 a month to pay my helper. I think 30's cheap. No, wait, inexpensive. I don't want to be cheap. Sound like a cheap hooker. All right, guys, right back to the lows. Like a cheap hooker. All right, come on, baby, crack. Give us a nice 30-minute, 40-minute flush right to the close. Get it to like 1,000 down on the Dow. Holy crap, everyone's head will pop off. Oh, yeah, I know you'll do it, Robert. Robert wants to be the right-hand man. And I don't need much. I'm retired. Yeah, there you go. I'll think about that. No, who knows down the road what I'll do. I'm sure Donkey would do it for a minimum wage. No, he's in Amazon calls again. Because he had one winner, and then he tells everybody he had like 4 winners in a row. And it's like, no, you didn't. It's like, let's talk about those winners again, moron. Just like FedEx. Oh, that's right. You sold yesterday for 100%, which really it wasn't 100%. But hey, we'll pretend. Well, here, let me see if I can. Yeah, I have. Let's see here. I can't pull it up. No, okay, maybe on this one. Hold on here. Oh, there you go. All right, so I can. So here's my email. So I send him this one here with FedEx. So he bought it $7.50, guys. Here's $10. Here's the high of yesterday at $10.78. He bought it $7.50, so that would mean $15 would be double. You see, here's the dates. Anywhere, and then he's telling everybody he sold for $100 gain. How in the hell? So I sent him an email. I said, oh, that's right, you trade donkey bucks. So you must have got 200%. There's the chart right there. And they're at $3.70 right now. This was earlier this morning. And then he posts something on his thing. I get his followers email me all this crap because we all laugh at this guy. And I get the emails. They say, hey, Bucky, check this out. He said he sold these things for 100%. Can take a look. Because you could pull up the option chains on Thinkorswim, guys, and see exactly what's going off. And then look at this. $15. Do you see $15 up here anywhere? But he sold them for 100%. He really did. I mean, hey, Donkey, are you looking at this? We're all laughing at you, dude. Stop the lies. Stop the madness. You're screwing your members, man. Man, 15 would be your – I don't even see 15 going back to 11.9. Where's your $15 price? Damn. Gets me all worked up. AK in the house. Hey, what's up, buddy? Yeah, but see that stuff, though? He sold for 100%. They weren't even there. How the hell do you sell an option at 100% when there wasn't a trade that went off at 15 bucks? Crap. Lies, 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 guys. But he's going to make a video about me. About what? I got everything. I got everything on my sheet. I got every post on Twitter. When I take something off the table, I don't do it an hour later. My members would string me up and frickin' hang me by my scrotum. My scrotum. I'd be like, hi guys, we sold this at $15. Something like that, right? My 380 area for puts. Damn it. Yeah, nah, 380. God, you're Al. Come on now. Come on now. 380. Holy crap. You really want that thing ripping heads off, huh? All right, guys. The IWMs are up almost 100% now. Donkey, did you hear that? Was indeed a pro gap. Oh, yeah. Monday was a bullshit gap. You got that right, buddy. That you couldn't even. You know what, though? I told all my members the only way they're getting it above that resistance is news. And that's exactly what they did. And you know how many people bought the market yesterday? Oh, this is it. Santa Claus rally. And they're freaking slapping them in the face right now. Hey, they've been looking strong. They've done it before. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're going to do it until the end of time. When we're dead, the next traders are dead. It's the same crap, guys. These are all the same people in Wall Street doing the same bullshit over and over and over. That's what these guys do. That's what these guys do. All right, hold on, guys. I got to send off a quick email here. Chuk-ching. Yeah. Oh, yeah, totally. It is a yo-yo. That's why, you know. Oh, yeah. I talk. Go to my YouTube page, Al. I have a video on there. Tesla, the world's greatest trading vehicle. 100-point moves up and down every time. It's hard not to take those trades. So, all right, guys. Let's see here. All right, so we're bouncing up a little bit. Look at that. They're shaking. So you got to think, though, what's going on here, guys? We're at the 60-minute time frame now. Remember that support on the 60-minute with the 200 and the 50 MA. We have 2 minutes to this candle close, and it's going to close it. At this point, it looks like it's closing. We're over here, guys, right below it. We'll see. Remember, they were saving it for 2 hours. They saved it. Now we're coming back in again. Not that we flush, but usually on days like today, confirming downtrend, 700 down, this is when they just flush it and frickin' take people out. Because now everyone's like, oh, my God, oh, my God, oh, my God. I sold all that shit, chased it on Monday, and then they're flushing it again. It's like the frickin' slot machine, guys. Ching, yeah, back and forth, done it before. Oh, yeah, well, oh, yeah, Tesla, that's the greatest. Tesla's been doing it for years up and down 100 points. Kidding me? Donkey, how's that Amazon trade going for you? Yeah, keep buying calls. Load the house on that one. And make sure they're high-priced options. But he'll tell everybody, oh, I sold for small gains yesterday. All right, guys. The BA or the IWM, one just went off at 306. So someone's taking them off almost 100% on those, guys. So if you were crying the other day about the puts and sending me an email, come on now. Take it off and send me a thank you letter. I want a nice apology that says, John, thank you for the puts. I know you went in a day early, which still pisses me off. Because could you imagine what these puts would be doing if we didn't have yesterday, guys? They would be, this IWM would be at $7 right now. Oh my gosh, unbelievable. Market has been reacting to my chart pivots, spooky. Yeah, no, they are. It's going perfect. Perfect with what my analogy and my wrap up every day, Al. Oh yeah. But yeah, so we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, they're dumping it out. Woo! Is everybody having fun yet? All right, guys. IWM. I'm going to have to tell my Can't do everything. All right, let's see here. So the SPYs, yeah, look at that. Nice. Even the 265s are coming alive now, guys. Man, Qs too. Qs are doing good too. Let's see. The Qs. Almost there. Yeah, guys, if you can't take the pain, cut these things. I mean, some of these are in the money now. Even the DIAs at 68 cents. Even the SPY 270s are doing really well. Wow. IWM still coming down. I'm still holding strong, guys. Man, Amazon right back to the lows. Unbelievable. Look at that. Another retrace, bullshit retrace for Amazon. You get the donkey hopping in because that's all he knows how to do, buy the dip. And they're slamming him in his face right now. Ah, hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. No, I don't trade the CL. I was doing the USO. We were short the USO. We covered that trade, though. That was epic. Everyone was going long, Al, and we were shorting it. Oh, man. Love it. Even the talking heads. All right, guys, I'm looking at the 270. It's at 230 by 227 now on the SPY. That one's, you know, I'll probably cut that one off too, and I'll hold a couple. The IWMs are up 100% now, guys. So if you're in that one, please cut it. Please cut it. Grab the balls, buy the dip. Yeah, exactly. I'm a trader in a bull market. I just buy the dip. Buy the dip. Yeah, Tesla's finally coming in, going negative. Ooh, look at this, guys. Come on. Come on. Everyone together. Come on, flush. If we all yell at the screen together, maybe that will work. Wow. Look at this crap. All right, guys. IWM. Let's take a look here. So we're in the next area. Let's see where that pivot's coming from. So we got a pivot. That's not really nothing, but we got a pivot down in here right around 146.85. So let's see if we go to that area. All right, guys. So keep popping these off. Autodesk getting murdered? On which one, Todd? Yeah, come on, right? So any market strength will give Tesla a chance to 370s. Then you, like me, should be thinking puts. No, I'm already short with shares. We added more today. We already pulled off half of Tesla as well. Oh, the stock is getting murdered? Okay, yeah. Good. That's what we're looking for, man. We're getting a little bit of a bounce again. Damn it. They just don't. They're trying. They're trying. For which one? Tesla? Hold on a minute, man. I'm in some other positions now. Oh my gosh, we got a half hour left. Do they flush this thing? Man, look at this. Gosh. Unbelievable, guys. SPY's getting a little bit of a bounce. IWM, though, look at that crap. Woo-woo! 100%. And those things were in the basement, too. It was like, oh, my gosh. Good thing we took small positions. No big deal. And then, boom, back alive. Damn, one day, though. One flipping day. Targets on Tesla. This is how we played Tesla so far. Got to keep an eye on this shit, though. We were short here. And I believe, I think we added some. Our average price is right around 359. We covered half here. We added more on this date, and we added more today. So we're into a good sized position again with shares only. And if it pulls back, I'll probably pull out half off here again, and then I'll probably, I'm thinking $300. I don't hold. I wish I'll wait for 250 to buy again, but hold on here. That's it. All right. Yeah, I'm not going to mess around anymore, guys. We're starting to bounce around a little bit, guys. If you're in these puts or anything, the SPY puts, start chiseling some off. Don't wait around. Every time I cover it, everything goes lower. But you know what? These things came back. If I could break even on these trades and be happy, I'm good with that. Actually, I'm doing better than break even, but gosh, they're protecting it again. Man, oh man. But wow, what a comeback on these. What a flipping comeback. Kind of like, I feel almost like the donkey. Come back from the dead. Yeah, getting a little bit of a bounce. But remember, though, we closed. Hold on, let me see what we did at the SPY. So I'm talking. Yeah, so we are below the MA. So now they got to claw its way up and close above it. We're still in a confirming downtrend, though. Gosh, I still think they're going to dump this thing. God, some big puts came through on that IWM. Oh, you know what? Let me see something here. Hold on a minute. This will be interesting here. No. Okay, 200. That's interesting. No, I consulted guys still a little bit here and there, and I think he ended up he bought a shitload of SPY puts. And, of course, I tell him don't go heavy, and I can see them all going down. Yeah, IYT's getting slapped right now, and I almost bought puts in there, and we should have. All right, guys, we're coming back in again, so just get ready. I'm out of my IWMs, guys. I'm not going to mess around now. We only got a couple of days left. It's almost, gosh. And if tomorrow wasn't closed, I would play it a little bit more. I still think we're coming in. But at this point, guys, I just can't. I want the money. I want the money. And I'm going to stick to it. All right, so this one here. So the 270s. SPY puts, if you're in those from 148, they're clicking off at 232 right now. So, but God, one more flush, guys, so we could get 100% on these two probably. And then those other couple trades mean nothing. We killed it on Amazon today. Look at Amazon still going down. God, we could have got another 30 on that. And I should have held the quarter position. I was going to. But you know how that goes, guys. The story of my life. So, all right. So the Qs, 162, 165s. God, we're almost break even with the Qs, guys. So it's all up to you. Now, if I get any emails from my members about how they got their ass kicked with these puts and I suck, I don't want to hear it anymore. It's whether it broke through 90. Oh, my gosh. You want a real indicator to take some notice of? You scaled back on the IWM, haven't you? Yeah, IWM, I'm done. I'm out of that one. we put some put positions last Friday and Thursday just to play the news, and it worked out. And they were more spec plays, just light contracts. Don't go crazy. We're playing, we're playing against the news, and that's how we played it. All right, these SPY puts are going off at 242 now. God, one more flush, guys. We'll get 100 on these. And don't forget about the DIAs too. That SPY 265s. They're trying. They're trying. All right, guys. The Qs are in the money now. So if you want to just cut that and say, hey, you know what? We gave it a shot. So be it. All right. I just want to hear you cry. There's no crying in trading. A little whining here and there, but no crying. All right, the 245s. Yeah, 60. They're just not doing. They're just not. I mean, 68. They're just not doing it. Come on, one more flush. Hell yeah! Look at that. Damn. We won by 1 day with these puts. Son of a gun. Still pissed about that. Yeah, there's again some carnage. Let me tell you, workday coming around. Yep, as well. Yeah, they're all. It takes time, these trades, guys. We're playing monthly charts. They just don't come in. Like, if we're doing a 10-minute chart, then it comes in. If you're doing a monthly chart, it could take months. That's why, I get the emails. Oh, Bookie, I'm in Autodesk, man. I'm getting creamed. It's like, well, first of all, you shouldn't have a 10%, more than 10% position in that thing. If you have puts, I'm not trading puts. And then, you got to sit on your hands and let these trades play out. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But guys, I'm the bookie. No, no, I'm kidding. Of course, yeah. I see. I take my IWMs off, and look what happens. All right, guys, get ready because I'm starting to pull positions off. These are going to go lower, so just get ready. All right, so the Qs, they are actually in the money. Woo-hoo! I'm going to make a video. My Q position came back a 300% winner from the lows. I'm the best. All right, guys, I've just cut my SPY position, my 270s at 250. I got to type it in. Hold on. Sold. Yeah, I'm gonna start closing them. I'm not gonna sit around. These things came back. Damn it. I'm trying to type. All right, so 250, those are out. We bought those at 148, so not bad. Hey, not bad coming back from the dead 1 day, right? I'll take it. So we got the DIA puts. We sold the IWM puts. We sold the SPY puts. Hey, we're going to hold our heads up on these couple trades. And if we get murdered on Thursday, Friday, those last couple ones will come in. That's how I'm doing it. You know what? I'm taking the profits that we have now, because then if these other trades come down, they go against us, at least we got some profits out of these. I got my W. We're starting to come in again, though. Jeez. All right, so now the Qs, we're still in that one, guys. These are coming alive, though. We're actually in the money on these. Damn it with the IWM. Unbelievable. Well, whatever. I got my 100%. I'm good with that. Not really, but, I'll lie to you guys. I'm all right with that. Sucks, but, what are you going to do? All right, guys. So now we're just in SPYs, the 265s, the Qs at 165, and then the DIAs, the 245s. So I sold the DIAs 253s, the 70 December 7th SPY puts. We got out of the IWM puts. That one, 100% we got on that one, guys. Woo-woo! I'm the best ever! So, there we go. My first ever put, IWM, took 94% early today. Nice start to win. There you go. Good one, Sean. Get wise, though. Watch out for the lucky lose. Yeah, right? Yeah, I was ready to pull that 10% until saw it flying up. Then I saw it, kept a close eye on it, and showed it again. That's good enough. I'm out. Yeah, exactly. Out. See you later. So everything's coming in now, guys. Yeah, work day. See that shit? Everything starts to fall, and what happens, guys? Everything's falling apart. Work day's coming in. Goose is just kind of holding up there, little crotch. A little crotch. Even CLX is coming in. This one's been a crotch too. A crotch. Apple. Hey, how those Apple calls doing for you, donkey? And then Disney, he's in Disney too. Oh, Disney's great. I sold that one 3 days ago. Disney down 285. What are my options? Don't look. How are those going? How's your Microsoft doing? Your DD doing? Your triple D's been in those for like 9 years. They're coming back. They are. They really are. This time it's for real. CRM finally coming in. We got time on these, guys. A lot of shares on these. Share size only. Autodesk coming in. Where's RH? Did RH even come in more? I covered it, so most likely. No, RH held up. Look at that. God, everything's getting murdered here, guys. We have 15 minutes left. They're trying to hold this thing. Sell some more of the puts if you're in them. Workday's coming back. Everything's looking pretty good right now. WDAY. Dun, 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 dun. I want to see what's going on with these guys here. Was that what we did? Let's see here. Yeah, Workday's being a little pain in the ass, though, let me tell you. But it's slowly coming back in. Oh, AMD, that's what AMD did it go lower. Yeah, so AMD, if you didn't sell half of AMD or cover half down here. Don't be waiting around in this one. We got a good trade in this one going so far. Don't let it go against you. Yeah, the transports, right? You got that one. Where to buy SQ? Nothing right now, bud. You can't buy anything right now when the markets are dumping. So don't even, it's going lower. SQ, I'll tell you right now. SQ, $50, maybe 45. That's right. Maybe. The markets are dumping. We could get to $32 on this one. But 44 is a pretty good area. Nothing to do. Another high flyer. We were short this one too. We already covered. Look at that freaking high flyer. Everyone's down, buy it. It's great. SQ, give it a double upgrade. Yeah, oh yeah. VIX is freaking killing it. You got it. Yeah, VIX is flying, so. But let's see what else. Gosh, I got man, look at gosh darn it, Amazon, you crotch. Covered. Where did we cover Amazon at? 1720 or whatever it was. Let's see. 1730. It's at 16.70. Ay. Another $60. I mean, that's all right. We got it in at 1777. Our last position we got out of 1730. So it's still a good trade, but damn. Always after the fact, though. Hey, I wish I would have held. All right, so we're out of the IWM. We're out of the 270 spies. Yeah. Was it Lickster 40? Yeah, don't even wait for it to drop. Market's dumped. I mean, this thing could be a $30 stock again. Yeah, exactly. You got it. Let's go 1350s on Amazon. Right? You know how many people are stuck in this thing right now? They all hopped in. Oh my God, here it goes. I'm missing it. Another one. Look at that, breaking out. Trend line. Everyone's like, oh yeah, great resistance up here, and bam, right back down. I wouldn't doubt. Yeah, 14. it's going a lot lower when the time comes. Last 10 minutes, I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of shorts start covering, get a little short squeeze rally at the end. That's why we took off some of those other ones. Yeah, oh yeah. Well, you know what though, Al? Maybe. It's still Amazon. You know, it's still buy the dip mentality in these markets. You know, everybody's still stuck on, do I buy the dip? Oh yeah, that's right. I bought the dip. But, you know, stuff like that. So you got to still be careful. We could whip around on Thursday, good jobs report on Friday, and we're in a big rally. Yeah, bag holders, you got that right, though. On everything. They were all buying Apple, everything, and then they slapped them right in the face again, with a face slap. Crack. Right? Oh, man. It's pretty, yeah, you know, everyone was jumping in yesterday too. That's the worst part. They're all piling in there. Man, this is gonna be great. The rally's on. Santa's coming to town. Yeah, woo! And then all of a sudden it's like, whoa, what the hell happened? Why are we flushing? This doesn't make any sense, right? They said yesterday on Fast Money, time to buy. All right, you're back in square one on the Qs. Give me a second, guys. Uh-oh. Flushing again. Well, you got to think. Buying wasn't that big yesterday, though. Yeah, no, it wasn't. It was a non-event rally with no conviction, no institutional buying. 100 million on the SPY. You got that right. Yesterday was terrible. That's what I was telling all my peeps too. I was like, there's no volume, no conviction. There was nothing other than news and getting everybody back in at the top again. You know, it's going to be good. I mean, we should rally through December now. 105 down on Amazon now. Damn. Getting squashed again. All right, the DIAs. Let's see where those are at. They're trying 75 cents, almost there. Only down 35% now on this option. Again, guys, if you want, I'm gonna hold on to these couple that we have left. The DIA, the Qs, and then the last SPY position too. Because man, if we get some murder on Thursday, Friday, these will actually come alive. We already got profits. We already pretty much canceled out the other trades, so we're in good shape. So if we make money on these other couple trades, we'll be all right. Damn, one day we missed this by though. One flipping day. Gosh. Oh well. What are you gonna do? Even the 265s are a buck now. We got in at 158, so those are. It still sucks ass, but you know what are you gonna do? Twilio's coming in. Yeah, where's Twilio right now? But it's Twilio. It is. Hurry. Yeah, perfect. We hit this one perfect again, guys. Nice. Nice job, guys. See how we're working these markets now. Let's see where Burlington is. Even Starbucks is red. Jeez. That's a tall task. AZO's holding up though, little crotch. Burlington's down almost $6. Citigroup's getting hammered. AXP's coming in real nice now. Caterpillar's down 9. CMG's getting hammered. Core's down. Costco's getting hammered. CRM finally. Autodesk coming in. DPZ coming in. They're all coming in. But they're trying to hold it up right here, guys. We're only almost 800 down. FedEx though, this is the funniest one. Hey guys, I sold here for 100%. It never even went. Jeez, keep lying. Damn, Bookie, you were a few days early on. Yeah, you know. Yeah, glad it went green though. I'm in Arizona. Yeah, you know what, Todd? I mean, shit. Find a trader that hits every trade perfectly. I want to join his room. His trading, man. You know, it was tough. Well, you know what was tough, Todd, on the when we got that up day on yesterday, and then Friday was kind of a pause day, and everything was rallying. Freaking sucked. Even work day. You know, work day, and look at it now. Now this one's looking real good. But you know, we got the up on the on the earnings, but then you know, last 2 days were okay, so it kept going. But now we get murdered Thursday, Friday. Work day will be down to 151, and we'll be getting paid on this bitch too. And this crotch. All right, guys, keep an eye on these. What are the DIA? DIA is almost at the lows again. 78 cents now. Off on Baba yesterday. Options play. They timed bottom correct near bottom near ITN. The calls didn't get paid. Really? Oh, God. A lot of that going on, too, I'm sure. But what else is KO fine? You know, that one's just being a bear. No, I wish it was being a bear. Look at that. It went up and look at the fade. Markets came in. Look at the fade. Couldn't even handle it. I'm surprised Goose isn't coming in more though. Zebra. Damn it. We missed that one. That would have been a look at that. Right. Retrace right back to where we did it before and just didn't catch it. We would have been out of this one. Well, at least half out already. Damn, though. My gosh, look at this. 245s. So the 245 options, the DIAs are almost at 80 cents now. So almost there, guys. I'm going to hold on to those. I'm holding on to the SPYs and then holding on to the Qs. See if we get one more big pullback. Unless like we flush after hours or something. And I just take the money and say, thank you. Guys, we're down 3.5%, almost 3.5% on the SPY. Damn. We are just getting killed. You know, there's be news tomorrow and another, yeah, you know that. They're going to pull everybody. They got a full day to bring Buffett out. Full day tomorrow to bring out Tepper, Siegel, all the perma bulls, guys. So watch for that. I don't know. There's some cracks happening in these markets, guys. And you remember, Natalie, you know what I talk about in the SPY and everything. Watch the last couple of videos. We're talking about what I'm thinking this thing's going to do. And it's pretty much doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. And here great resistance. They get the news, they gap it up over a huge resist. That's the only way they could get this thing up. And they had to do it because they knew this was coming. They knew this was coming, so they had to prop the shit up as high as they can on nothing, guys, nothing. Yeah, Trump, exactly, Al. You know it, Al. Oh, we're close. I'm in the bathroom stall, and the guy from Canada's right. The other guy from Mexico's to the left. And then the Chinese guy, he's washing his hands. But we're close to a trade deal, all of us. This time it's for real. It really is. Oh, guy from Canada. Oh, you need toilet paper? Here's some toilet paper. Yeah, no, now those SPY, I mean, you're good support come down here. You're at 270. I mean, yeah, after a flush, you'd expect a little bit of a bounce. If this is led more selling on Thursday, Friday, we're going to be right back to the lows, guys. And we'll get paid on those other positions. And remember, if you had any position, guys, if you are short, cover it if you're making money. And if I forgot something or whatever, because I've been talking here, just make sure you're pulling this stuff off. Don't be waiting for me. I want to look at another one. Amelia's coming in nice, too. Yeah, we shorted this one, too. Beautiful. But it's Mealy. This thing should be at least 500. AMD came in real good. What about DE? Oh, look at that. Beautiful slap in the face. Yes. This one here, guys. Wow, I didn't see this one. Woo! Guys, what time is it? Oh, shit. I'm covering half of deer right here, guys. Covered half at 151.32. Holy crap. Woo! So hopefully one of you guys got that one. That was great. We put that one on yesterday at 163.21. We are half out at 151.32. All right, right in that area. I just put the sell order in. So, but yeah, that's where it's right in that area. Let me check here. Oh my gosh. It's like, wait. Actually, it was 35. So, did I punch it? Yeah, it was 151.35. Oh my gosh. What a day. What a day. Half out of deer. EE. 51.35. I put 32 in there. That's where. Click. Get the hell out. That's it. I don't care. All right, that was a nice fade on deer. Look at that. God, that. I wish they'd all work. Like a put on this one would have just murdered it today. So maybe did anybody get puts on deer? You plan on shorting Lulu on Thursday? Yeah, we'll have to see how that one goes. What do you think about Splunk short at? Nah. I Splunk. Nah, that we missed that one. I had that one. We traded it. Right here would have been it. Right here, we missed it. I would have definitely shorted this thing right here. Just missed it. I think Splunk's coming in. If markets sell, it will start coming in harder. I think $90 is my price target for this one. Got to investigate how to short Canadian. Yeah, right, Al. I know. How about it? They're about. You know what? Anybody from Canada, and I asked this question about a year ago. What are some ETFs, short ETFs on the Canadian market that would play it short on the short side? Yeah, totally, Al. 100%. That's going to be one of the biggest bubbles. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Does anybody know? Yeah, Lulu, Natalie. Yeah, we're going to take a look at that one on earnings day. Splunk. Yeah, short. Yeah, 112 was the area. Should have been in it yesterday, just didn't take it. SPY's going down a little bit after hours. Watch this action. What's the action today? I don't think there was any too good earnings today. So I guess Mark, good. I get a day off tomorrow. Awesome. Chart, yeah, they are starting to fall. That was intense. Get out of the 16 Amazon put, left the 1600 puts on the line, and turned into a strangle with two. I don't know, Andrew. Close, gosh. I don't know if that's. I see what you're doing, but man, I don't know. I think more selling's coming. You should have just pulled that put off and said thank you very much. MDB, is that one going off today? All right, hold on. MDB, let's see. That's right. Let's see what this one's doing. Is it doing anything? Let's see. All right, guys, on this one, it's just so. I mean, we have nothing up there. I guess if it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, but anybody search for some housing stocks we can short, or any indexes in Canada that plays the housing market for the short side. Oh, 60 cents for the calls. Okay, that you're good then. Yeah, at least that's smart. You know, a lot of these people will buy these calls for whatever X amount, $5,000. It's like, no. Buy them when they're 60 cents. And that's the least you can, that's what you're going to lose. Yeah, you're good with that, Andrew, then. Good call on that trade, too. But I still think Amazon's going low. I think everything's going lower. We'll get a little bit of break tomorrow. They're going to probably just conjure some more news. Watch the China trade talk and that trade talk and this trade talk and the Mexico trade talk. And what else can they throw out there? Oh, bring Siegel out. Watch for Becky Quick tomorrow with Warren Buffett. There'll be a special on or something. You watch that. And then just watch for more news. That's how they're going to do it. Yanked the in the money put, but yeah, I think they were going down Thursday too. Hopefully hits those 1600 puts. Okay. GWRE, what's that one? GWRE. Is it doing anything? Yeah, these are, I just don't know these stocks. So, I mean, gee, if this thing comes up, yeah, you're going to have to look at like 108, maybe gap fill here. I'd love to see if it hit 1400. Yeah, honestly, Andrew, it could. Some trade OTC, but not big enough. Some on it. Yeah. Yeah, no, there was some. Yeah, let them burn. You got it. No, Al, there's some ETFs on the market here that shorts the Canadian shit. So I did an online or a live event online session a while back, and I was asking people for that. And that's something I've been asking people for a while. Yeah, the Canadian market's going to blow up. And I think that can start everything going south. So GWRE is not doing anything. What about MDB? All right, it's going down. So if stocks are going down, I'm not looking for bounce areas. Just not. But if you guys are in this stock and you're trying to go short, see, we should have went short. I told you guys. I'm short, guys, like the donkey. I really am. I shorted up here the other day. I shorted right here today. I just didn't post anything. But I'll post my exit price, though. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. Enough fun. Let's see. Tomorrow, I believe we are closed. That's what everybody's telling me. I'm going to still be around. Maybe we'll do a session just to go through stocks, look for support and stuff like that. But what a day, guys. Almost 800 down. Our puts are getting paid. Didn't see that coming. I mean, I could see the pullback coming just from my, look at my videos and stuff on the SPY. But wow, what a day. That tells me that bullshit that came across the feed on Saturday, Sunday with Trump and everything fixed, all bullshit. Everyone bought puts. They killed them all. Damn it. We should have bought them in the money. If we bought them in the money, we would have been all right. All right, guys. Any more questions, comments, anything you guys see? It tells me, man, down 475. Yeah, Trent, getting killed, huh, Al? Freaking smoked. Let's look at that one more time. Yeah, that dragged the whole market down today. That was lights out. That did not help at all. Let me tell you. Look at that. And again, we talked about, what do we talk about, members, with this one? Watch the video. Go yesterday's and the day before. Even the weekend update. What did we talk about this? Coming up and doing what? It did it. All right, guys. No problem, Al. Hey, guys, thanks again for stopping by. Really do appreciate it. We're over 3 hours today, so that's enough for me today. Nothing going on tomorrow. Watch for the setup on Thursday, and let's try to get through these markets and make some money in December. All right, guys. Thanks as always. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video, too. Let's get some likes out there. I don't show any. I had some trolls where they were disliking all my videos, like putting like 50 dislikes on my stuff, and it's like, then I found out it was the donkey boy. Looking into short, yeah, guys, please look into those shorting Canada banks, the housing, anything in Canada, especially the housing. I want to really find some housing stocks where we can go short or just buy like an inverse ETF. So Natalie, no problem. John, no problem. Moose for life. Yep. Take care, buddy. Sean, everybody, Al, PSL group. I think it's Pete, Andrew. Hey guys, great session, man. Thanks for coming by too. It's too bad. I mean, we covered trades. We didn't really take any today. Hard to take the bounce, but you can thank me later, guys, who bought the calls on the SPY and everything with the confirming downtrend. What do we get? You and the donkey will have to catch up on that story. Yeah, you know what, Al? The bottom line with that guy, we kind of made amends. We were like, hey, all right, just do your own thing, blah, blah, blah. And then as soon as we were like kind of shaking hands, all right, just leave me alone, whatever. Hey, just do your thing. You're a good trader, blah. Like 2 minutes later, he starts posting all this crap on StockTwits, and it's all just lies. And it was like, dude, we just like kind of shook hands, and then 2 minutes later, here you are posting shit again. And then that's what pretty much was like, you know what, dude, F off. You know what? I'm gonna keep on your ass. You could send me stuff. I get all this crap from your supposedly followers. I don't even follow them. I do nothing, guys. I get emails every day from, hey, Bookie, look at this trade. Oh, my gosh, it's a flipping sinking. And it's like, oh, my gosh, I got to send them an email. So I sent, I got 2 or 3 guys, it was 3. Now I got 2 guys sending me emails about when he gets in these trades. And every time he gets in them, guys, it's just like, it's a Titanic. Well, let's put it this way. All right, let's just look. now he's going further and further out on these options because he's buying more time because now he's, he's guessing a little bit more now. All right, hold on. Let me get into my email. They sent me a new one today, a little bit ago. Hold on here. So he bought, well, he had a massive winner on Amazon, which it was only 100% up, which, hey, still good trade. Good job. So now let me find the email. Hold on. So now he's in December 14th. Let's see what he did. So December, I didn't look at these. So December 14, 18, 20. I just got the email today. It's so funny. I tell these guys, don't stop sending me this crap. I just want to get away from this guy. He's such a, like I said, he's probably an all right guy, but it's like, geez, dude, get over it. Start posting your exits, start posting your entry price, post everything, and then we'll talk. He doesn't post like the FedEx was classic. I sold those yesterday. It's like, huh? So he got into these at 8:40. And he writes, it has bounced off our key level. Our odds are in our favor. These are at $5 right now. So, and yeah, I'm not the best trader either. The options I don't like to trade. This is how they are. But it's like as you're talking crap, and then selling everybody how good you are. See, I don't ever say that. Hey, I'm only as good as my last trade. And you look at some of my last trades, they were okay. We had some puts that came back from the dead. We had Amazon BA today. We covered those. We got out of RH. We got out of that. We added more to our Tesla, which was the right move. And a lot of their trades were in the money now. So now we're, we get 1 or 2 more days like this, guys. We'll be just cherry picking. We'll be cover, and out. I would like to be out of most our shit by the end of the year. Then we start fresh in 2019 and start banging it out again. There's some days I won't do any trades. So BAM is one of the Canadian. Oh, really? There you go. Write these down, guys. So BAM. I'm gonna have to look at these. So BAM is an REI. See, I love these live sessions too because you guys are animals. We'll be joining the group, Andrew. That's awesome. Got a link to that video, John Barish. Join the group, Andrew. Best $30 you'll spend and learn to. Yeah, thanks, guys. Bam. Thanks, Wilson. Yeah, awesome, buddy. Wilson on the move, baby. So bam. All right. If you guys can find any more, let's do it. Tomorrow I'll I don't know what time, but I'll post something on StockTwits, and for my members, I'll post something on there. So we'll have those going, and then maybe we'll just do a live session and we'll go over some stuff. See. Oh, see now. Anyways, guys, freaking clown. Still looking into it. Yeah, awesome. AZ native here. I'm in Phoenix, Arizona native. John, watch that McDonald. Oh yeah, I will watch that. We'll come back with more after deep research. Yeah, thanks, Wilson. You're awesome, buddy. All right, what's going on here? I think all my stuff just stopped. So I think, I don't know, something's ringing here. I don't even know what's going on. Let's see. Okay, here. Yeah, something's going on with the live broadcast, guys. I'm not really sure. Something's ringing, or I'm talking, but it's not doing my screen share anymore, which is good. That's funny. But yeah, well, I'll tell you the story with that guy. But again, you know what? He's had some good trades, but in the beginning of the year, he had massive loser after loser after. Did you cover half of Autodesk? Good job. Yeah, don't even mess around, guys. You start making money, get the hell out. Don't wait for me. Kind of like deer. That thing's tanking. I was like, whoa, wait a minute here. Get the hell out of that one. So what did wait show? What's that one? I don't know. Which one is this, John? Oh, that's the McDonald's one? Okay. All right, I will watch that one. And it's funny. Yeah, that Brian Schmitty, he knows. And same with Raj too. He knows who I'm talking about. I try not to plug the guy. It's funny. He does all these videos and does his live sessions, and then they're all about me. Everything. It's like, what? Yeah, I know, Dave. But when you're looking at charts all the time, I even got to one point. He was throwing out some good trades here and there, and it was like, wow, he's actually. But now I see now he's trying to get the next winner so he can show all his people how good he is, and it's like it's not a contest at all. This is real, and that's what I tell him all the time. He's like, we got to do a contest. You're chicken to have a contest. I said, guy, this isn't a contest for me. This is real life with trading with real money. I said, you and your donkey bucks, you could trade all you want, just like the FedEx trade. He made 100%. How in the world did he get 100%? It didn't even go up 100%. So how in the hell do you get 100% on that? Yeah, I don't know why my screen sharing isn't going anymore. That's weird. All right, let's go. Yeah, it won't even screen share, nothing. So I don't know what's going on. VXX will cease trading in 2000. Oh, really? Oh, that's right. You're right. That will be gone too. Yeah, F that guy. Yeah, no, I know. You know what? Again, no, we're all traders. We're all in this together. Why can't we help each other? Why am I making fun of you? If you have a bad trade, that sucks, and you just looked at the wrong area technically. Oh, we'll come to VXXB. That's what it will be. All right, I'm going to note that one too. VXXB. So yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to end this one. So thanks for stopping by. Watch for something tomorrow. It'll be a little more relaxed. We could go over some charts. If you're in this room, if you're a member, send me an email at stockbookie@gmail.com on those Canadian housing stocks. Anything, whatever, the builders, anything out there. Just look for ETFs, whatever. I might have to buy into the exchange out there and be able to trade Canadian stocks. It's going to be a hell of a short. Eventually, it'll be just like the housing out here, guys. Same crap, different time. So, all right, guys, thanks again for being members. Thanks again for coming, stopping by, watching the videos. Hopefully, I'm helping some of you guys. And let's tear up these markets on Thursday, Friday. Get ready. If this market starts to fall, just get ready to cover more positions. If we do get an up move, then we'll be looking to add more shorts to these high flyers or something like that. We'll look for the high flyers. So, all right, guys, thanks again for stopping by. God bless. See you on the charts.